monone na ye de amonone nsam de abro no achi no ye de afisem ebetoa so e de amawo abadwafo besi nkonwa na nsam odo a ye de atoba maso no ye tutu ne sen na basa apen puma sibre hye no nso ese enura uwuramu anese Ghana ye Premier League matches odo a eka mu no nano etodwa na enro na ya fofi dana ya ma no GPL extra and nebi be wuram na ya ba be wie na player of the week any team of the week no yes I edi ababe dana bi bia aye kama Collins atapoko atena se Sasura Jeffrey Asari the Apostle watena se Michael Akumia the Sports Messiah obetene ka odumadi esumidin Edilu Tekin International Abu Diabi Diaba kwa mo no ne wahwe na odumadi no aye kama production team no eye abrante Nas Sasuna Ricardo Varas and the Jumanwe to production obesa be room the GPL extra assign a room at Jama and Tisana Jumadino ye konuko Facebook Sompa 931 like na share who had been Chebia Fatu Obrepum Yaba can kai Ediama Yasembisa Yebe Yano Eso Ediama and Sacrano na international Abu Dhabi besi form ewa mononin semuno e dwuma ko beda roma ene yesin konye sombo ye chidom eme de dwuma de eba sumwo so say ka a great must be enterprise e dwuma ko a eba a Chinese truck spare parts a se China omukasa kese no ehun noma ne pass pa de a great must be ho na wo kwa obetumanya de papa de ne bo so ewo form eso atimi ato na utu akoto na peba akwado ni chemo great must be wa noma be ko ediama na noma bay and attracts hu noma bay and akwa won sabeka je eho ho ye sino tracks and a shark man de keka wunyina no o saka kese no noma nyina no kwa wonsa ebetuma kabia no chino ye wo eye engine housing and ho brake drum springs ho and yesa wo eye suppressor bar ni nyina kwa benya bi ye wo AV bar ho headlight and a shackman ho enoma nyina no tail light nyina no kwa obetuma nya bia me be kama yo brake bands outdoor and a brake pot back and a brake pot front oil bath ni nyina no do ani chirem ewo great must be enterprise onsa ebetuma kabi na na kira ko kuma se so me makru woni kwasi pon SHS ni de nhwe friend was 0242 633 091 0242 633 091 0206 404 088 and what you do ani chirem o breku mazina ubehunu o breku ne mpatama from our number is so 0550630664 and up mo sunyan so a inside magazine wa adu sunyan magazine mfimfi wa and about great must be enterprise sunyan for no friend number 0257 491211 ofra obejo so bibia so ayekama you can call for maintenance bia ayekama and what you know odu ani chirem ewo any what scientific clinic and diagnostic services are almost yan kan to say Dr. Nimo ese banipa awode any bema wo bema ne dia ono ene fitani a ono na repairer obetuma siesie dia ma oba wona ye dene dia ma bema ne egu ani ase bema bi wa ono oba krashia sese na ne bema no atwitwi na ho ayekuro de bia na o twiti ani oba no himfiore enye for ni chemo Dr. Nimo oda ni what scientific clinic and diagnostic services ano na onya daji NCSO wose no ma bay anayade be na edunya uyo obi a yade fe halitosis wanum yinka wa pesti wanum ye fita wo se kama eso kasa no wanum yinka wontimi nka asumsam enu akino oba awayo problem entuma fita be fra bi age ukojo bi na ase asori weyin unko bi da ye ka maternity a wunima de kro Dr. Mosabra na onya da jimro no twa ba problem no efrise free bama na so oba no na oma awoma bianya kama enu achi no se nka ncho se wo de ne fibroid na oba wo funa ye so pemfo eso akoda nam eye moja na adam ko na Dr. Nimo woda ni what scientific clinic ano omun diagnose no omuntu yade bia anormal typhoid and hepatitis wo liver problem kidney problem and na se oba ya no imfio no enso fro oba na ho ye ho hene oba se wonam pa na wonam nipadom no ahimfie ya ohene obeda titi eya na enye erintuko ne entu ase na san sohwe no wankwa anko shebi eno chi no wo se nka ncho se prostate problems etware ya de wani nyina oposa na wo problems sa wani kiremu a obetima boa ma bibia so aye kama edama omo lab kese ho a omo san wo scam wo se mo jane twembe hwem o se de afidie twa nipadua no ba be ade ne sha ye beye edama eno chi no omo machines akese om de diagnosis enu ntifo ni kiremu ni what scientific clinic na kwaja yaresana bibia enye kama omo kira kwan no hwehwe na bibia enye kama na opiem okumase a omo eye adwuma kumase Monday Saturday 7:30 to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday no me adwuma na Accra so no me Thursday to Saturday and 7:30 to 6 p.m. kumase do ani kiremu atons mo na ko junction omo na dance rub bank no na eden twasa so Accra odru circle omo wo eye photo frame omo ben eye goil station na ewo no omo ne NS chemist edi antwam from 0244087687 na 0279 087687 o from one bedroom so na bibia aye kama no akwaja yaresa na so nsa ampa no ma ekoi eso edema ye ka Ernest Herbal industry asian country so Ernest ointment de nim na wiane enso ka na nhwene nim anadwo na ointment ya betunyare ahodo ase say ye kakawure na ye prapi na ye otri ho say ye apropro sa so na enso bia gu wide na ni prekese ni nyina no ombetu ase eso ediama koko hawonya Ernest ointment ebeboa eno awake natural capsules eno man mema nyina na esiesie mo ema no ma ekoye eso edima mo eba prostate disorder sa so na dwonso awote yawo Johnson entim ema ye uni atenka low libido watenka sa no wofoma unya bia ebeboa pa wo se miamia we odu ani kiro benya ni doso patu na fresa number yi na ba bia obi omfa Ernest ointment any awake natural capsules no emron 0245 0799 0245 079915 na 0276 537701 upiamu Accra okaishi drugling ho obehunu ewo eye Kingswalk Herbal na Repash Ventures and Tinated Herbal Baseline Pharmacy Nisi Pharmacy na Rich Joes opiamu Koforo the Gapson Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy Drake Right Pharmacy and Beno Pharmacy Nkoko Usco B Pharmacy and Hillside Pharmacy BB Pharmacy Castle Tribe of Judah and Kumasu Pemo Den Herbal Miseba Kolinakeba Habme Pharmacy and Chris K Herbal Honya do ani chema ubenya biama biaso aye kama Lucas Travel Consult esa kwanto ni branon fa wonko ehe na ko Canada United States of America o per France and a Schengen visa na opa Lucas Travel Consult omo ena dibema kwanto nsam de omo ena obia edan womo omo dimpa track record papa baby osom do obia kom de ne ko eno chi no mo se per birth certificate or per traveling passport or per bank statement or per Lucas Travel Consult omba boama no makwe ediama on sabe kabini bo ne da form eno chi no companies outdoor da be dom se ompe workers adwuma fon fama womo eno chi schools outdoor edia be dom se admission guso ekoso ompe students emo eno chi no fambo Lucas Travel Consult na wakonto na manone no omo anko na no ma enko emfama utwomo kira kwan ewo etema Gulf City na omo padwayefo eno ma yadwuma ompe marketing manager sales personnel receptionist administrators shop attendant and house help and accountant ompe bi eno ma yadwuma mo phone number is 0534 543210 0534 543210 fra ombejo so na Lucas Travel Consult on phone to kana bibia enye kama Abu Dhabi atnase amronin sembre and the champion boko de
o boko lutana ozwe
nyame adom na wadam for so to nka che NDC vice chairman wa tebebo amante
me amete nka che
moro akwasi dangai akwasi dangai no
pipa me chiano pa me mete nka so ache
sa moro kwasi dangai
baze bibia ekokama de
bibia ekokama bibia ekokama ese ebrani ya odi Ghana ni Kumase wiase nyina 80
Alright, Sompa 93.1 www.superfmonline.com. Of course, your chance. Yeah, Bob Modena, Manon, common abba, Ababi Ramu, come Pret me, I'm a joining here on some passport, me patron Satoswa, what Bob Modena, what like it, wash on Facebook, Nadona, Ati and Kana Bibia, at the years or 8 me, I'm an tetep, yes, Shan Semna Sedia, Yanko, and Coco Din Comodia, the 5 major leagues and all, I'll see a bounce back after see a call, and Coco Jinam Kobo, you work for Champions League, and on a matches out on ebetimi eramu enne neruani echemo the French Ligue 1 game ebetimi eramu 6:30 no team omo ejom na so from AS Monaco now just 7 p.m. omo ebejom na so no Nice Boboko no e dia buani na boa na ne ma de ye pretimi eramu no fiona uruani echemo enso wo Germany in Portamwa at 6:30 no Stuttgart Boboko ne transfer no Darmstadt so etimi dia buani na fe uruani chemo e wo Ilia matches ebejepene etimi eramu no anema de dia 4:30 no Salernitana any force no ni council na ebebani and after 6:45 no leche bobo kori jomana so ni Genoa e di aboani na boana tutu no adeda ye pretimi era mama the Spanish Premier League game ba kwa e beje pene na etimi akoso no e se na isiete 7 p.m. no team from Deportivo Alaves mo e jomana so no mo any team ye from areti beba so no e di aboani na boana bibia akoye kama pan so no etimi era mama ne Roma Spain no ye Chelsea wo ndidi di nkomodia no pre uruani chemo Real Madrid aso ya Denny Carvajal sanko etimi akwa federal test no a confirm say bibia dedia the Madrid derby abejepene atoja over the weekend night Sunday no otimi amba nema mejamo embo ejuma from club ye from Real Madrid ni nyina se omuso omugiri sa pomde no enya de se no etimi ewie prentie no enkoma baba betoja ntintie no Chelsea Lucas Vasquez no a ene beba nyaba bejamo aye ejuma edi Real Madrid na boa na nema de yepa etimi edia momona munkomo no ene niam bobo etimi erba no yes likely say Madrid dom line up no Sunday no e say ne betimi ewrama emusem no ano edem papa entu join ya na ohra ene goalkeeper Kepa Ariza Balaga ebra post no Lucas Vasquez no ebe Jam Anthony Rudiger ye wo David Alaba Frank Garcia enfi ono Eduardo Camavinga Oleran Chouameni na Fefedi Valverde ani mo no so no ye bebo Rodrigo na fe abo Jude Bellingham no nanche no na chese Hoseluso abomode etimi apatron mo ebeboa na ne ma de da yepa etimi edia mo muntie no enkoma pa babetoja ye di erametimi arama na yesa no ye ramo mu nuanom Atletico Madrid o maso ye kakra na ho so no ye ndidi di nkomo anopia mo bomode o mo training no o mo de kokoro mo Vanda Metropolitano na no edin papa aniji sama ba nyina ene se Memphis Depay na fe no Koke Resurrection aba join group no na re o mo muntimi embo game ni bia ere aba betoja se Rodrigo Di Posto ono en recover Ronaldo enso en recover Thomas Lemar ono so no enye pra na fe Kagia so yonchu enti omu nyina ne amrante omu di no ebobo etimi ereba no edin papa ena akrawe so efe ne barriers so no anwode ne be so beba aba bejamo abo ejuma etimi era mare tiko madu bobo korutia no edi aba be Roma ano edin papa na Spain wana no ene yesi ne ope club omu volu no workshop omu de ranking na ba be baze Real Madrid bobo ko ne dikane ye volu omu so omu o cheka niama etimi erebo ma be 991 million euros Barcelona toss me no 840 million euros Atletico Madrid toss me ensa 442 na fe 9 no ekwa de Real Sociedad boboko na eno so ye aba nyaba be Roma no pe no ye bo modern na munsesem no ye timi area tuja kama pa etimi era mana university ba ko a e wo Parma mudi no University of Parma a confirm se Carlo Ancelotti ye be man honorary award bi anase po no o be man honorary degree bi o muji zampa ejuma pempa na bono ya dia no edin papa na degree no yes a degree in science and technology and afa so no wani chema preventive and adaptive motor activities no de rametimi ara man ntia no Chelsea on October 11th sadani ye ukoda e de beto say tibera fra pempa no na yabo modena that special award no eromu kama pansoro etimi ediama no ntia no enkoma baba betoja ano edin ye papa no pe Barcelona training no etimi ato aso ewo Juan Gampa Ciutat Esportiva na be join here Luta confirmed de mawano pano zaniema de dana kwamane Ariandro Badi abomodian contract no wetimi extend na no pe Romo training grounds no so mbomode etimi initiate no ni na so extend ya e was here na etimi abo abaso ntia mbomode eto santra no na fina ya bro ne chi se boa ma ne mada ye pa etimi ade ma na no nkomo no ene so no ankasa ne nanaba ebo modem ne etimi etu kwan no be se 7,000 kilometers eba be ram Barcelona nra ni nyina ne ze no gidi ze ne ba na na se ne nana no ebo modem etimi extend contract no e wo so ba no ba be support no ti no ofimu of Dominican Republic eba be ram Barcelona oba be support ne nra na cheze na e fe ye papa ebo ma ne mada ye pa etimi ede ma na mu nkomo no ye di ewra metimi ara ma no ma so ya wabiem no metetete se Ronald Araujo ya si ne doctors no abomodi ama ni green light so mu game a ochono mo ne Celta Vigo e de babo ani ne wo so ba na oba be jamu bu adwuma bo ma ne makoye pa etimi ara ma Barcelona ntia no so no enkoma aba be roma ye di tuga no pe so no etimi ara ma na ma mechabi Hernandez no pe e wo Ciutat Sportiva na onena mo ne nko na wi no Barcelona for be confirm se Xabi Hernandez abomodi a ne contract no we extend until 2025 no o trama bu adwuma etimi ara ma team no na details ni die yes Xavi bono mo dia the year 2025 no oji La Liga na se UEFA Champions League no oji automatically no on be trigger 1 year etimi ada kan wona afia akwa kurom 2026 intia no e dia baba be roma ano e dia papa roma il importantama ene Marc Menyo luta baba be di no nkomo se UEFA Champions League no okoko konye prapra no na nkofo nim se ano e den kakra na metetete se Marc Menyo e be ready se nema nyadeda dia 27 September game na AC Milan na Germany na so no mo ahwe mo bo mo de etimi abom no mo ne kagea yidi bebo ani no obeba ba beda post no aboa ama ne ma de da di pretimi ara mo na weekend no omo game o mene Hellas Verona ye de bebo ani no pempa ye friend Marco Sportiello onu ne goalkeeper obeba na wo ba beda post no aboa ma ne makoyi so etimi ara ma Milan come on no omo dia tudwa so omo game again Hellas Verona no e yo mo tejes no e no mbebo mo de akọ jama etimi abo adwuma na aboa ma ne ma da yepa etimi ara ma club no to join ya na just omo tejes no tumu zampa eja wo mu ye papa no a eno mo de ko na kwako jamuna apo mane mada ye soro etimi era mo so mo rese game again Hellas Verona no o menya be 70,000 spectators a ebeba aba be support o mo na apo mane ma ada ye kama soro etimi edia mo yenko ramo Germany kakra dia anope metetete se bibia deda dana kwa ma Julian Nagelsmann ne deal no ene contract no sesem so bana the Mannschaft of Germany wa ba be faro bibia bomodian ne adeda dadi etiniama dia be say 12 p.m. German time no in order wani chema the German Football Federation president peipa your friend band now Vendorf no ebaba be Ramo enyo no nko sporting director friend Rodivola enso be joining no mapa aba be kan wa Julian Nagelsmann kan bi obeshan central for no officially no ya bomodian introduce so na aba be for the German national team no enyo mabu adwuma na aboa amane mada yepa etimi edia ma muntia no so no edia baba be Ram ne ntinsi mo England so no ne ani nkomo kakra dia menya ne tie se Chelsea omo game a omo ne Aston Villa de beko akwa ani no tutua ne de dia na 12:30 UK time oba eba be Ram Ghana 11:30 Mauricio Pochettino beko akwa ku chance jofo oni omo be didi nkomo of the game no na ya hwese the Chelsea ntutua no esi etie ne niama no esi ererema ebe boama club no so no etimi afa ne ntoma pa edie frantie no enkomo ababa be rema yeri tudwa etimi rama na Crystal Palace so no omaso no menya ne tie zene na Gideon Ibo jamu bo adwuma etimi rama England man di no ye friend Eze Eberechi ye presi ne transfer na contract no obo modi etimi extend until 2028 almost Manchester United, Newcastle United and after teams Odona ediechi omo pen so mra ema me rom ni omo soro etimi amama me ye adwuma urwani chemo Liverpool maso ya ene Darwin Nunez and ankofo bona baso ni na so omo se this season no Darwin Nunez abomodi abo 230 minutes per na niji seme wonu so abono mo dia go involvement no wetimi involve no ho in 5 goals no washa free na assist no wabomodi etimi aye 20 omo so check ya in every 46 minutes no obomodi etimi eboa amani team reform Liverpool so no enya goals wanya sister no bomodi no a airboard ya tumu na boa my bibia adeda ye kama soro etimi ara mana ma Manchester City eno mu Chelsea na baba be ram no ni nyina nsa 2023-2024 eni abomodi e-sport Chelsea no ababa be ram na orange utumu sa no edin ye papa ni nyina mo gidi se this season no omre na ewram na boa na ne ma deda ye pa etimi ara ma team na mu komo no ye etimi area tudwa na Manchester United o maso ya no urwani chema Jadon Sancho still and seven kokko da almost in mpemfuaka era JD Sancho says so person ba eba be join squad ni omu training a agisoko na pempe friend Eric Ten Hag otimi pa na cho face to face akwa no so no ohun boni a waye ompa ne ompa na cho ne empa no chena mti omu sister say kokoko esa de na baby o no eye wa no be ram na boa amane ma deda di impress timi ara ma na no be kia luta baba be catch us club ni consider say January no offer bi aba e bi be jam no so no etimi akwezan zo nya na dwen so be bana wetimi aba be patron na no Champions League game a omo boy against Bayern and Bayern chomo e bom e ka nan mo mutimu miensa no yes after the game no wo dressing room no ene Andre Onana e kokko ka che coach sine se de waye no ogiri se ne mfonso ono na mpo amane mande da di so no entimi afama team no nya no ko o ka che ni teammate no so ogiri se niema na e course ni nchodi omu di ye no na ye no mfonso omo so ro oni omo etimi didi nkomo na se United no ene kame eze je ya tom ni nyina ne ze omo si players ni bi mo afomo adwen omo giri se kwen omo fa so a omo ja David ye kwan no ebetimi ato bia omo tena baba be ram dress room na one player omo respect no pa no David ye na ejuma no ye commander wo eno so echi no o check fans no sere no musi support na Chelsea ampa oyobi ana na ho ehie de ma club no na so no club ne nkomodie no enwie pe ya edu bebi no ye ja no kwama no kwenti omo se nam so ama players ni bi mo enwi na afọ mo giri se coach no mo ne ye ejuma no so no eye kan bi o kana sema ompeso bia ebebo mo de etimi yi ano na yese o show mo so na so no omo so mo ye mpemfo ntini na no enkomado wani echema ebobo de ba no edin papa ye di eromede ma weekend no omo ne Burnley na de ko nyakwa kobo ani aniji sama ba ni nyina nse Rafa Varane ye so obeba na that game no wa baba be jecho start abo ma ne ma koyie pa etimi era ma Manchester United ti no di aba nyaba betojwa aro permidi Romo etimi era ma ne Romo Arsenal ma so ya anope ya yo official ye di kan baba be didi unkomo so mo captain a friend Martin Odegaard everybody mo de na contract no West End etimi era ma yo official West End ya until September 2028 no ojama boejuma abo ma ne ma de ye pa etimi era ma club na eno ye di aba nyaba betojwa na munkomo no ena Mikel Arteta ahead of Tottenham Hotspur game no ekoko chance Jovone Bizanze nkomo no di aba ni o Martin Odegaard stand na de na aka erefa unchemu se na pimpa no ebo mo de etimi edijai.
Man, great news for the club, great news for the team. Really happy for him as well. He fully deserves that. It just shows as well that there are many ways to make it. There are many pathways to arrive where you want, and at the end it's about finding a place where you feel comfortable, where you feel valued, and you can express your talent. And I think he's found that place, I think.
Atiano ya command e prepara bomode etimi area to George as a great news echo etimi area club former Arsenal is already talent no ejuma no boni baby no nena no a strong go set obaba be Real Madrid no wanya kwenya bolon kakra e wo Vites ahimeko eko koko bolon kakra etimi area Real Sociedad after no Arsenal loan na omokokoto na e no giri se ejuma no bono e ya dia no eden papa ya mana so ye bisa ne zen nkomo kese abapa no e between goalkeeper friend David Raya and Aaron Ramsdale na san komodidi no boy kakra nana ze create issues kakra o na dia na care for no so say no bomode adijai.
In terms of who you might have available, Thomas Partey's still out.
Yeah.
I'm guessing any sort of prognosis on time with him, and how's Martinelli?
With Gary, we are still assessing him, so let's see if he can make the game or not. Thomas for sure is out, and the rest hopefully available. We still have 2 training sessions, but there was no big issues in midweek.
Oh, sorry. So Martinelli, not ruled out at this stage.
No.
In terms.
Atiano ya komo pomode di etimi fa Gable Martinelli hono cheso this around omo na omo access no se niema didadia obeba na waba be jama boejuma etimi ma Arsenal na boa na ne ma daye pra etimi edi amomo kama na totu no enso etimi edrom na yera so agem no yenko ne yenkokotie former Arsenal player your friend Repala ozo ye England ni na ne ono so edidi di komo etimi fa Aaron Ramsdale and afa no David Raya na goalkeeper na oye England ni ayema ni ndabi no komo no say na Repala
North London derby. If I said to you, big game, obviously got to win. Ray or Ramsdale? Who does Ray Parler want?
I would have gone probably. I would go Ramsdale.
You're still sticking with Ramsdale?
Yes,
okay.
I would go Ramsdale. But
do you think he's been harshly treated? If
Raya does come in again at Spurs, he won't let him down. I think he's an excellent goalkeeper. Really good with his feet. He can ping a ball and. Good shot stopper. So look, I've got no problem with either keeper in goal, but I would stick with Ramsdale because I don't think he's done a lot wrong.
Raya playing the last game, I think it'd be harsh to pull him out and say to Ramsdale, big game here, you're back in.
Yeah.
So maybe he thinks, a bit of consistency. He might change it after Sunday.
It's a brave decision because usually you've got that little bit of understanding, haven't you, Al, with your defenders, goalkeepers. And if you keep chopping and changing, probably got different styles of way they play. So it's an interesting situation there, but whoever plays, I'm sure they're going to give their all for their clubs, and they're going to.
Atiano ya commando do any HMA Stanley Repala. Apo mo die timera to ya tutie ne komo die oso ne die akwenye ba ne the goalkeepers me no egunsene so se no hwenyi ba kono bra. E ma meda post no be na wa bomodian select goalkeeper your friend Aaron Ramsdale. So ma meda polizans no e yo bi o experience here papa 7 matches no wa bo ba ne North London derby na o de ne dema na chese no shaking ni na mo boa na ma daddy peda man after no and a host ni sambisa and say na same way ya okay zone no ankasa dadwen wan ze of late ne David Rea ne ba e ba beda asna post nim ti no we ni sin chen en hadwen kakra no so o enya de se be hadwen mum na club no e take decision say we ne beba ababa beda ma ojiri so mamienu ni nyina no obia aye ready so beba na wa ba bebo team no na boa ma ne ma de da ye pa etimi e dia mom ntie no e ye nkomo panyi no ababa ntiri ababa betu gani nyina mo no ye di ewram na boa na hyehyɛ no so no etimi ada ye kama pa so no etimi e dia mantu de amre ni ti no yengyina so na yemfa nsɛm ni nyina empem na yenko emfa mre baba be yafo no e crowd de akebia e beto aso etimi e da mamo
wahwese wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchanti me chance number na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bebia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me kire say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash amana ye mremremra ma o ye hia obeya de say obedale *110# netua ka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so Vodafone.
Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
First days of Beat the Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Beat the Odds this season and you can walk away with the grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
Studying abroad can be tough. Top tier Study Abroad Consult has made it easier for you with a team of 18 years studying and traveling abroad experience. We assist students in pursuing bachelor's, master's, postgraduate, and doctorate programs in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and among others. We provide SAT, IELTS, and TOEFL classes to aid you excel. We can help you get partial or full scholarship to study in the United States and Canada. Locate us at Kumasi Amakum, adjacent Bank of Africa. Call or text us on 0260411 or send us a WhatsApp message +1 646 659 5045. Accra office, Medina Rolling Circle, CC Hagan Plaza Building, opposite Medina Polyclinic. Call us on 020-3592-008. Takrady office, adjacent NK City Fire Service, Efia Quanta Road, near Fijai School Park. Call us on 059-800-7852. Top tier, just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you ranks to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
The eagerly anticipated Pick One game has arrived with a bang. Choose your favorite number from 1 to 36. stake and get ready for the excitement as we unveil the lucky number. Prepare yourself to unleash even more moolah by staking from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 cedis and win 26 times your stake on the amazing Pick 1 game. Play by dialing *946# on all networks. You can also play via our website or download the Game Park app on www.gameparkgames.com. Watch our live draws on Adom TV at 9 a.m., 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. daily. Game Park, more moolah, more power. This game is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18 years. Play responsibly.
Omayini yaw edubuachi onyame akoa ya wieye bre wade tumi ahyene no ofre foot for talk adesie nyina ene yankwankwa bi a how done so September Liberty Conference epepaso na bebaso Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries Kumasi Harper Road asemu ayakasa ho ye free asomafo se etiedio no mochi temumi no akopem yensa Acts chapter 28 verse 2 to 3 shaneson say we burning of arrows part 2 anopano sia pepepepe kopem bra ho kunkun bejaye eye damemene 30th September Kumasi Atum Harper Road Ajumtofo edi jumtu beje jumedie ya papa Minister Sete Champo Yama mi Mabel Ochre any resident worshipper Minister Kwame Jedu Wobet Sojom Ajijumedie ya papa and Trefi so how be daus amanie be daus or dan be daus so awiele onyame di tomi amani boy omani yaw edubuachi na sada no pronsam so na obenya pa esani say onyankopon wa Abraham hu na chiri not so ni di tete kwafra mo kwadu kwaduma kankane a odan sebo wo peyi adwuma nyame ma edi ahofedie ebekoye fie bra Liberty Conference September edition. Oh glory hallelujah.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na mekomu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya meya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oya me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan komo Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What manane relaxation aye de. Awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche yie eye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ni carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehweye wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots a ewo Ghana fana nyina. Free 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Right, yes, I'm on about Sompa 93.1 FM. SN live on Sompa TV birthday special. A bre esune naman for do on birthday now na or do on birthday and 10 times near floor. Na the sports Messiah and film room major issues so abanano painemo yanko promise aduma yebua yema yankase o fast yenua yeba akwadawe so a your friend of promise aduma yebua happy birthday promise school or peer preparatory school e doma ahinkro enen wanya 5 years yes radin shira eso edema opa ena Gerard Owusu Asamoah Bafo Gerard Owusu Asamoah Bafo ena Gerard eso birthday nti yes Gerard Owusu Asamoah Bafo ena birthday yes radin shira edema uko school or her mom Dew Academy ewo Adum Konkori enena umami e friend Brago ne se ma happy birthday radin shira en ye wo DSP Williams Wilberforce DSP Williams Wilberforce Dudona Frel Mr. Force we deputy operations commander or anchor for maximum prisons one kasa uchocho muchu friend on ASP David Kwabena Jima NSCM Feduma de suma happy birthday radin sharpa was said your man no na ni so tiama happy birthday no ASP no na say DSP Williams Wilberforce nyame insharpa yanko Agnes Anima upon su edin birthday ne anti age ɛnɛ yante age birthday Agnes Anima Opon yama happy birthday nyankopon shop na bibia so enkoi emfama ɛne yɛwɔ Mrs Patience Adinkra Mrs Patience Adinkra ɛnɛ Mrs Patience birthday Mrs yama happy birthday said ye wo de serie celebrate birthday no wabra bonna ka wabra wiase nyina no ɛnyɛ serie ɛso emfa ɛma ɛne yɛwɔ Anastasia Ajewa wo so ko asori wo Roman asafo tafo kumasi wankasa ukuna ye frɛ no Bobby Short King Solomon ene say yemfa edumadi esuma happy birthday nti Anastasia wo ye kyerɛkyerɛ ni yama happy birthday radin show na de odon sabeka bia no enye yie emfama no abusua na bia enko kama emfa ema yo Sarah Siate so PM Samates Hospital Factory Clinic wa ena wo nti na Sarah Siate eso birthday ti Sarah de no ho na Ricardo mu de atoso na yekoyanim na bia ayekama eno okay Sarah Siate ene your birthday yankasa yenu ye friend Kwame Amo or Samates Green Gold Radio ho na ye adwuma esema happy birthday ena yenwuram ema yankasa yenu ye footballer ono so edi na woda ene Kwadwo Mensa Emmanuel ene your birthday na uja kan ewo DBB United ho ena usia kan Kwadwo ema happy birthday rade ensha na bibia enkoi emfa ema ena Melanie Ejapoma Brefo Melanie Ejapoma Brefo ene esu ye Melanie ene your birthday my happy birthday erade nyankopon shapa na no ma enkoyi emfa ema na bia enye kamera special birthday to brother Crunchy Akwa udru aguna akrofon so na assemblyman eso ho kachire obi Sompa TV say yemfa adwumadi esuma happy birthday nti eno ano ne dia yenko anim na bibia nya kama wo sa akomea aye krado ha na mom hye no say expert in sciatica 21st clinic o say nkan che say efru trisu kosu na ase yade bia hinta no bro betu ase dia ma na ade ba ko a wo dance so awiase oni seso yade na fa ni sciatica wonam kokom ko to ase no yekwase ko habra wanya ba bia ntena ukwanko wanya bibi nso a enye ye eno na upiem 21st clinic a ombe pam sciatica no emna dwane sciatica bia ko a omutu ase yade bia ko a omo pamo omo lab kese lab technicians so ombe hwe moje no hu ba bia yade na dwane akɔhye omo machines a omo be twa scan machines a mo sampa yade na ba bia hye bia no adro ne yade ka na be koye omo wo mfidi a wose massage be massage yade bai na akɔ 21st clinic a yade na ba bonta be siri biem yade bia kɔ a omo pam yade ni tu yade na se enu nti so wotemen ka omo more than 15 branches ewo Ghana Kumase branch no ewo Ahwea overseas junction ombe Alpha Radio PM obuase a cancel quarters court junction wa akramo dome market wa ena ebi wo sunwane nkranza na techman na 21st clinic says eba sciatica omo pam na so person mu di nkomo bi na wo from ahoma yi so 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 na bia enye kama the sports messiah akomi aboko de
nyame adom luta na so
nyame adom na Friday
special
we are very coco temases special
and that's the is only good
akomia na sebebre na abuja bidia maye ene yejumade ne well packed until
of course
exactly 10:20 na me no wie
Martin Luther me sha se ne ani nkomo enra yenye opportunity e de hwe the Europa League so hwe the Conference League na yewie beba some issues bi so we see dealing with so 10 so na game ba kwa na me samanfo ani wo hu ye pa ye AS Roma game omo ball na no ada na no bia agitumi ye say how Jose Mourinho asihye ni team ne de e wo so omo timi di nya results be after a very good results omunya against Empoli during the weekend but now no me dina ka say omunya a fit Renato Sanchez na so omunya a fit Leandro Paredes na omunya Brian Cristante a it might be one of the best midfield partnerships in Europe in terms of players and more quality, intensity, energy. And then you may be a kuto more multimedia day, Eddie Juma. Just after 25 to 27 minutes, now Renato Sanchez everyone gave me what me perfume.
No, I hano.
And Jose Mourinho a question two Abu Dhabi stories or na fiti ano pani nyina eba na. Jose Mourinho si PSG font ya say abrante ni prano. Portugal national team like asa so tenase omodwen wo monte ase Prime Minister etenase omonte abrante ni pra no ho Lille etenase omondwe abrante ni pra no ho but you see this is one talent yes I be shama we say so akwakotena ba bia na say we say so akwakose it gives me memories of the quality of a player be say Abu Dhabi enye Abu Dhabi on
Dhabi Oba Arsenal
original Abu Dhabi enye Abu Dhabi on nam ha say ono onya de original Abu Dhabi and ono na one of the talented players among who grow up as a boy no but injuries into went me more but if you look at the injury situations at Lille Portugal any Paris Saint-Germain any AS Roma now you begin to question the reason why these things are happening and injuries being common with these particular situations more advantage any face o check here 2021 na hamstring no Lille any Portugal on me say 28 days and I'll tell you 28 days almost a month muscle injury a month and on Sabenya the same muscle injury be a month muscular problems and also so 14 days 2 weeks e will Lille or me say another muscular problems and also 10 days e will Lille thigh problems and also 7 days e will Lille meniscal injury 49 days which is 1 month and above and also so Lille in Portugal muscle injury 7 days muscle injury be 25 days abductor problems muscle injury bruise hamstring injuries so the problems of face pioneer problems mienu na common hamstring and a muscle injury so ye bre o brebe almost intintini nyina intimi nsane said the ope na yere so ene to le bi etimi ya na akoyu hamstring nyina de ayede aba and most of the players who go around Europe last season complaining say matches na hold over bebrebe na ma players ni nya muscle injuries bebrebe because moja na intimi for ma ya dwuma ma muscles ni nyina abre it in this context just say Mourinho so say omo game ni wiye no osaso gina home omo amana training gidigidi bia it won't ase still na no muscular problems no e da so ha brante no and the quality na ekuta Renato Sanchez no Luther they are no city ma AS Roma taking no now if you watch them against Empoli solid performance the first 25 minutes enra solid performance it's ni na go siaga amapra edineko you moving on quickly I ask any Olympic Marseille enra we can Champions League match but how could PM Europa League was 3-3 but the key of this particular game no some new shape of their team now their new front three Steven Bergwijn Brian Bobby and Carlos Bodies for Manchester City they are doing so well and this season no more question with my baby but adeba a woman me pese kan wasem here Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang the performance no enra it was superb and level now all corner I believe say he's in the right environment to succeed. He's in the right environment.
No Korea na watch Chelsea.
On one na watch Chelsea na performance ni Korea no nya bimbo. On one drew maybe with Arsenal on coach na ntawanta bi na performance for free bench na yede eba. But I believe he has made the right choice and I feel so much happy for him because of the see with Chelsea no.
Didn't see
at Chelsea more or less na coaches need to me say the performances ni the training nyoma oye wo ho no na ending sem fata say won say man starting games Chelsea supporters na so nim penifo bi within the team so no mo gi to me say uyi striker say what team ni ma ono and another that time obetima head obetima abo mo and no say lack confidence and he was also facing problems with Gabon national team
okay because I quite remember Dubai because I say Gabon man panyin kra na
it is our issues ni na abobo so but finally he is himself and he's doing so well and making sure.
Because you 2 goals or send no akra.
Come on, so we actually lose the game.
And now Arsenal Sena wajira on tenenka.
That is it. And he's now into the limelight. And if Marcel wants to push for the French league and at the same time push for the Europa League, will be key.
Okay.
And he was their best player, Enra. Link up, scoring, running behind the defensive lines. No, it's solid. The Marcel Enra. And I made 2 years ago going forward. But no more day. Then Brighton and Hove Albion Tenerife lose to 3-2 to AEK Athens. Brighton won the first European game. It's in this particular story.
Okay.
Now, AEK Athens have so much experience when it comes to European competition. More Champions League no drop in the bio. So when it comes to the experience, they have it. And more good players building their setup. And then Nordin Amrabat, Luther, as when you say catch it. Abrante ni dwumadi odi the boy captains was superb. But this also comes in line with what happens to teams first time in European Cups or European tournaments and the league. Brighton will need to be very careful because English Premier League wouldn't allow you to say what about Thursday, it will be Monday. To say be check Spanish La Liga about Thursday, which may push you a Macobo Monday. They don't do that. About Thursday now, Sunday now, so if you don't manage your players well, you might have trouble. And losing your first game at this, their only opportunity to qualify because we group him na Marseille any Ajax no unless something happens between Marseille and Ajax because Omumelu was so much experience when it comes to Europe and tournament nankasa so favor more because of their historic nature with European competitions. They need to do better and make sure so many stay in the competition and it's not going to be easy. Ubo weekend against Manchester City now but we are next game ko Marseille abede one hour no.
So yes, that team and say Premier League na omo kan krofano team.
Roberto Di Zerbi ankasa no wouldn't the history o share big teams even in Italian Serie A obeshow. But on it bo sheshia ni mate, you want say teams omo level na he struggles. He struggles. It was the era Everton they show omo 4 no 5 no. Yeah. So they meet those teams and they struggle. West Ham it's the same thing. But Manisha Chelsea, Manisha Man City, Manisha Man United. That is Roberto Di Zerbi. Not here. Luther, Inter Milan, almost a 2 passo tom. Now, Rain Group need this uncommon. They didn't common could do a training na say Middle East club will be the person better Inter Milan. Escafui. Now, Sunin family mo almost share in and around 1 billion euros. No more dia fa. Na kabisu de actually. To Inter Milan the oak tree for 275 million euros. All the 12% interest become one. Even the number 400 million euros. The 18 and nano penny is commodity in a actually.
Is Steven Zhang no I already so beton.
More ton club no so don't be surprised within the next few weeks or months. Obete say Middle East almost say a consortium. Ojam nkofo no almost so mo din na mo din china. Be a consortium. But maybe a consortium will be free about the list of the Bano. Never move a consortium, and I said your consortium.
On propose an bar or rejecting ye.
And Inter Milan is a club, also because the Italy clubs are common personnel and your man and your for because supporters at the heart of it. But one thing you need to put at the back of your mind: Inter Milan is for Italians.
Yet my info.
The history of Inter Milan, international.
Okay.
International Milan. AC Milan was made for Italians. Now, because more Milan crew Muti we say Amanfrafo. Every baby Bobby. They gave Amanfrafo the opportunity to come and play in Italy through Inter Milan. So if there is going to be an investment, almost will be a more coin. Just a Saudi for an obi person bar, almost will be a mumbo so almost international. Obimbra number 14 no. That is what they are doing. Okay. Quickly, na me friend similar story. Players not the normal of Manchester United. Omunyai.
Dear no more.
Omunyai.
Dear no more yakumia.
You don't sorry ya. And I Ten Hag per criticism. And I dressing room yen timina nya juma. You see, when the Manchester United cycle no. My memory tougher. You about appointing new coach. About players in any beji pa. First season about achieve kakra. No abon home more than the team this year. Second season over try. Team ni sha say so mo lose matches na leagues asase PP. Player we ni coach en kan. Player we ni coach wa asem. Na ura supporters in the team, na ura team ni team, ni apamu coach. Sa, and you try no sa. All the Ghana face the same problem with players. Okay, so we lose matches to us bebre no. Players and they say only Ghana tactics in yet. Or favor players be to sell Lingard. Or favor players be to say Marcus Rashford. Or favor Fred. And or favor Scott McTominay. Meboa. Ralph Ragnick buy no. Almost so favor Cristiano Ronaldo. Even Jadon Sancho crying no coin say Ronaldo until no person was position with team. Harry Maguire ni twa so kakra. Players are hold on ni twa so. Dressing room unstable okoye. Jose Mourinho ba almost say Pogba ne nye dey. Enye fine. Anthony Martial dressing room. Jose Mourinho favor players be omo and I say there be issues problem up a players or more take Jose Mourinho pe kasa dodo sa Jose Mourinho ye dey eko. Vanga ba ye no. Almost say Vanga football do be because am friends say ojam honey football. Or pass dodo na players na shase na ball no crowd my robot dodo runi mu nyina be keka bi so no mu look like robot ono so ye dey ekoy another coach have come, bad results comes in, and players have started again. Ade.
It was a politics because of Hannah.
The biggest problem of Manchester United is they lack proper football structures. Some more a good football structures and good organizational structure. Some of these things, when your coach problem also dealing with.
Medasa Akumia, my infancia, why? I had the Yankopon sharp, our boy Juma. Akumia, the sports museum, our training cano, Kens are Ejuma debia, Friday biano, no meansa, yet Nasade, a shootout in the banner, no night pet, no night question on Sia, na a team no swatnas, a team bay. Unmunyam for Kennedy a compreko e Japan upiemo asen central mrashe bedwani wasom ade hye ho na MPP amanyuku no wasom amomama ni mo ene yo MPP dodo na frɛ ne semanhia ɔno no se ebreni nie sɛ ɔbɛ frankatuni edma MPP amanyuku no na modi kan ye baako e de ama no e o super delegate conference no ɔso bɛ sɛ November dia wagye omo nya MPP for ade hye omo hye omo nkrɔfa amama so kra no wayɛ omo papa waboa wo omo ebreni nie sɛ ɔbɛgye Ghana e de asi wo sɛ MPP for omo pɛsɛ breaking the 8 ne ba so a ɔno number team na breaking 8 no ento ɔbɛsrɛ ni team no bɛtena se efiada bia no nan kwesi no nsia no mo di no adanse pa no ma bia waya se o man ka nyi hu mfonyina nkyerɛ wa uhunu da ene ya to the Kens are Friday bia no 4 to 6 me patro no wetie na bibia eso aye kama Roxy Travels esa kwantuo ne ye ne dia ope private jet a behind the amount ope website a obebi the amount travel passport obebi the amount akwantuo de na ope on na companies da be dan no ese on padwuma fo mfama wo mo na Roxy say yen kan to so obeso kusua de wa bruchi we a lab technician we a midwife adwuma be na we kyerɛkyerɛ ni adwuma be kono kura bu no so wo de ne so person tu kwai na wo do na wo sikani dia fa ho kɔbɔ Roxy Travels na ɔmfa ntu kwai na bianye kama na se office ne ye dewa bebre na aba ɔno no kɔ na ontimi a ɔka no krækyerɛw se de offer we ebi ni hɔ na Roxy say wo de bra na ne nto ncha Schengen visa ɛna ɔpɛ ana se ɛyɛ Qatar Dubai na abɛsɛ ɔkɔ ana se country bay ɛyɛ United States of America ba bia abɛsɛ ɔkɔ bia no wɔdo bɛkɔ adwuma so de abu no so a ɔdo kɔ no ba bia bɛda wakatu asem adwuma be nyina no wonim pants no African ha akɔ ene Roxy Travels ɔse enka nkyerɛ sɛ obetuma aboa mo nya scholarship akɔ school abruchi enu ti hwɛ na kyerɛ kwan ɛwɔ miami oduru kumase a ɔwasafo VIP stage no abrosan is swatenti atwere ni mu Golden Home Touch building no enmu amu ɛna be no nkran so ɔka so CP wɔne Methodist asɔre da na die no hwɛ wɔn nkran a fɛ Roxy ɛwɔ number yi so 0244613237 0244613237 and I will come so na wa friend no e wo number yi so 0557607375 0557607375 na bibia aye kama o jam Kofi Poku atenase Kofi na tse
ya bana de na ya bo pam pam
Kofi Mama 13-14 minutes.
Fantastic news now about Ghana na T4 nyina e mo bia kwa baba Sompa radio so and Sompa TV so no pay ye adwuma ye wia ye kosunwan e ko tabo fochi na and then no ye be fie be kan sam kakra dia fires adwuma na na ye
no ba na go taba
but na
question am be so
with tabo fochi.
Oh okay,
thank you very much.
Send me my younger hunting interest or coach oh say me person coach win and there that
Mike Menya now that is similar onim go da ada me di kan hu so that go no PSG
okay
e di match sa ga be friend majority bibi no dey FM wa so any abrese e pese yusu e dey e be yusu ntino ni di e chira tina tremu no dey call Lille na PSG nkrao omo bo e wo Lille e ko hwe bi odago no come na me say akrai on che no kra na me man fans because e dey I was meeting you so much no so yes I no me go ani ma say and match no so they eventually me use it but that's when he crossed from PSG they call Lille full time as a goalkeeper and they about AC Milan obi en mo bit maka say Magic Mike Mignon onim goda he's risen to become number 1 for Le Bleu and no kwa no mira in an era when France edged 2013 under 20 no na Alphonse Areola and the goalkeeper at that PSG at that Real Madrid about West Ham but ono nye number 1 clearly Alban Lafont another good goalkeeper ono so nye number 1 but France number 1 Maignan onim goda they bet me di Maignan ni nya no pra na yenya Mike Maignan ni injury history na yera ade ba ko FM ni say opra touch it. Sompa FM. Now this is Mike Maignan's injury history. Mira, it may be a shoulder injury 15-16 time na me person me use match no sir 113 days not the tenefie
o tenefie
pa na Oba AC Milan in 3 seasons 21-22 Oba AC Milan on the back of winning the French Ligue 1 with Lille, Ono, José Font, Raphael Lau, Zeki Celik, you know, Burak Yilmaz. Oji League ni mom we are some injury we know. Oba AC Milan on board 1 season and on more than 1 month.
Because now me can't be say official. Let me say Oba Milano. The first and second season, 32 official games. No, what miss?
Exactly. Why a goalkeeper? Nanu dey say Obo ni we are not order form. Na say hey Magic. They na be. They say 27th na baba. O Bompire ma sportsman be a umpire and say only pra. Because nothing hampers them much more than pra.
Now come here Renato Sanchez this year. Papa bibi wo ho ana. Dear net
anybody na soon.
Because a bit Renato Sanchez they say like come I say
Obo Euro 2016 ni we ya or finalize the call by Munich you know. I want to start here. Oba Swansea was a similar thing. PSG similar thing. Baby Renato Sanchez Akobiano, Predinia and Magic Mike is also suffering. Yeah, Bompire said no better. Arsenal are tied down Martin Odegaard for 5 years. They have one of the best interiors currently on the market. Oyomo captain. Osabe Boni peak years. He's 24. Yeah. 25 next also 29. Afe no be rat 26, 27, 28 now. Ehono okata the new crap pass no bebo. Now we go no share.
Yeah.
Increasingly or the end product I can the game no. From Strongo set wo anybody name Real Madrid Heron Veen, he no uncle no. So side that on the Isaac. I'm say for ye. Real Madrid na Bruno so. But Oba alone now, Osan call back our bars na permanent. No. You could see this is a player who is enjoying the freedom he has. Now ne papa a former footballer.
Sir.
Oh yeah, Hans-Henrik Odegaard. Ne papa no, intina homoton no. Or so then suddenly called team bia then I'm by a he wanted a project.
Okay.
So he has sound advices. Odegaard, unlike Holland, Odegaard no obo professional football, but no primary JHS. Yeah, obo them. Odegaard obo
because of any age in a time when they be Real Madrid in
Musa. I'm happy for Arsenal. I'm happy for Odegaard. Odegaard say, "Eh, who pass say, o man control ball na come na dane na nia odi ani bi no. O touch it na go ne ba. Akomia, baby out da bia Odegaard be to pass na to." No, and I don't know his ability to touch with the right foot and pass with the left. Emani exemplary. Oba dream so me kwa ko gina ne nine benkum no so ntino or the benkum mum na be control no they 25 no to be pass and then weaker for Derby. He's always shielding the ball in a way. I'm happy for him or he's settled and he's enjoying his football. Osaka captain. Arsenal have really tied him down and they've tied down one of the magicians of this era. Bempire ne say nka oni ozil be shia na ozil etima channel kwaya no fa so yes ade
okay
ozil no timi the ball no to form say no de ne boot na ball no so ebe peja na akosho ball ne da ho na minim kwa fa so na mbiza akomia no si o ono akra touch time no ye bi o training no ya nemba
papa yenko ye
Jeff abedi does that
he does it so simple. Yeah.
Intadini do hwe my say yensia yeah they will no aqua perfect because Ozil or by more forms this year, but this is the closest they will get to Ozil
Okay.
Stylistically.
Because I know share Arsenal Champions League game now. As I say, or Bobo now, or Fatim Senedia.
And no, freedom, no, born with you in Bo. But none you may be netric, no. But society had no Isaac Ebon. Or no can be na Oyazabal. Development now concern an area. Because we need Bo. And or a technician, maybe there's not from technicians, no, or a skillful ankasa, Bono, the Obebiano, book nepe pada home. A koha, Majina say.
Okay.
Look, that's how he plays. And I'm happy for us now. Say, Odegaard is extended. Like, okay, say party any rice on the chair. More in the bed in the free so. Chama now say Daniela do no friend itself.
Famame.
That's it.
Yes, omo the chair and so omo the ball no be man.
Famame. Odegaard no. That's how they will play. Say Odegaard monye ball no. Famame. We me madam for the million say keball ahami. Fabon mami. And that's where he is. I'm happy for him. Scandinavia for one time produced to say.
Okay.
But the last time a left-footed Norwegian actually got me this excited about him and in the football or Premier League was Morten Gams Pedersen.
Okay.
No Blackburn. And I'm so happy for Odegaard. So yes, I heard. Some Manchester United players. Omunsia sebi nyansa kakra.
Oh, okay.
Football na yebon. They were shasi biam.
I wanna be.
Yenya ehye fasho tum say ade san odimi hye nyina no ebra ye di na so te
enokre
at some point ye be di ntitimu ko wa kwa de nye ne de na si fo manka wudwane akwa brochiro ko yesto we ena mia
atapoku yanya yas yanka
na me say da we know so tinu me sha so mamma ni abra ka wudi ka wiem no se debi ya botre akomia you talk na otwedia wasa bon mu ntimi mbo
United players
o masesa hwe mu profile a o de ba team nim na he sika o je na performance o de ma team no
dabi
hwe mu profile o de be wura Manchester Varane de no win here o wiase Casemiro de no win here Sancho, you are one of the best wingers in the world. No be happy obi.
Yes.
Manchester United got Sancho not because na Sancho pe omo. They were willing to blow everybody out of the water with personal terms. See, Jai Sancho say on choose projector. No call Liverpool.
Ah yeah.
But Sikana Manchester United dey try no ntimi ntue bi. Kawanu tu nada. He do ba basketball na and na kwaya fa so pamo the year. The year that team na am pesa on koda. Na Michael Mamanko.
Amoko.
Working kwa man of us free team no. One manager akonto kwa. David Beckham yambutu boot ambono amana ni wampai.
Yeah.
Look. Why are you people pampering these people like that? I did that some no.
United in penny from re ye fi. Omo no ma bia no.
Na mo bre no. Nyoma na no mo ye ruthless no. Police ye nja no kwai. The governor.
Yeah.
Rocky ye nja no kwai.
Because players abobo din no. Eno omo su bi na wo se no.
Masa. Louis Ahakra omo ja no kwai. Ono wan nye medical papa bia so mpasse no. Look, players back on na dey bia na coach no on the favorite. If you are Otino, one name favorite, can create a Ghana for you now.
Cremo.
Fantastic. Into no cremo, I
was a massive.
There be no crab back coupe.
I mean, massive.
No crab back coupe. Hey, baby, I'm not Ghana one in the assassin.
Hey,
it's your class. I'm not saying, yeah. Say, coach, you on the favorite. Now, on your favorite. Only be Martin Ajax. Also on the favorite. Of course. I mean, how every group dynamic, no. You're in a cabinet. If you are me in a cabinet, no, led by Chief of Staff of the Republic of Sompa. Until dentina wono, ujina baby, mo de bia na mo liki team news, and I coach say, and a monkwa na mo honey pad aden. Sabon mo fuse mo bubima, mo for musika mom. Team we and then adani, and no massa. They don't entertain average performance. And a team go for West Brown. Any David May Mombebo, no money on your pay. Look, a teammate me bench Brazil in Anderson. Na make carry mobile. Because I'm also son pass am de biano e na obi aye bibi e na de bia e na obi aye bibi ya sta mo nja no kwai na mo go fu e kra no de na mo perfect mi wa bo na mo nyire mo hombo mo so ade bia ansem foforo ai o ya de anka o metu obi because omo ma sound 11 num no omo doso look at Anthony Marshall
so window bia still not
no untimi nye look akumia sa players we ni se ombe na no te say a big boys ni bi ombo team num no we United fans sign ombo fu say handball match bri no ya show mo 3-0 and wa shego ya shego no jubilate o handball match bri no am say na show mo 2-3 no te ba ko akura ketwa ono no yo pre academy mo a afi no anya first team abebo wa share the first goal theater of dreams o say nka men kama no mo na mo ye panfo na mo gina park no so no sign na mo boy mam hani pardon bia agenda for no na mentimi nka ya semiye because last year no mo koma akomia ska no gina me konso pampi na me say akomia ne agenda for ye ma ojai me kan anti say don't let anybody deceive you, Mira. Darwin Nunez is a goal scorer. Prolific goal scorer. Ofa you go under 20 no. Ofa you go senior team no. And no national team dynamic. Me they are ton chain. Me jack goals no share or penya no because I know no the crew. But Oko Almeria, the first season in Europe, about 30 games, almost 16 goals. Overall, 32 in a season, almost 16 goals. 16 plus 16, you're saying? 32. So what it meant was that every other game, a goal every 2 games. Yeah. The first season in Europe, when you're La Liga, a second league of Spain, La Liga 2. Esa ni wa yentino Benfica could try record transfer. E dey afa na fi ha. Oko Benfica in the first season no. Ye hwe no ma sell in the city oh. That one is copying Benfica 2020-21 season no. Mi ra nyame ni Ukraine. Na modemon e wo Sompa. 29 league games or 6 goals. Number 9. Ye di sika kaka sa akoto o. Asembeni. Nemo Europa League no. That same season. About 7 games. Almost 5 goals. Okay. So he suggested Jeff Ekano. Then his second season for Benfica. I don't know how explode you know. About 10 Champions League games. He said free Europa. About Champions League. The first time at it, almost 6 goals in 10 games. And then the league, almost 26 goals in 28 games. Wow. You get it? So he's a goal scorer. Sanity. It's same. Liverpool about first season no asa. Until the Amoka see as a record near Bibino. And on the mirror TV video, you know, Bisa Jeff one question per mami. Did you ask then a patching sky? TV.
Where were you when Saudi beat Argentina in the World Cup, and what was your reaction?
I was with my family, with my brothers, their wives, their kids, watching the game. And actually, we just want to get out from this game with no humiliation. We get surprised.
I mean, it fired up people here. I talked to a ton of them, and they were really excited. You are spending a ton on sports, a lot of money. What do you say to the people who charge that that's part of sports washing, that you're trying to use all of that to somehow improve or somehow affect your image in the
world? Well, if sport washing gonna increase my GDP by 1%, and then I will continue doing sport washing.
You're okay with that term?
I don't care. I have 1% growth of GDP from sport.
Baba,
I don't care. Say, I don't know Saudi Arabia in this car. Mumbo for now more Canadian and fan home. Now, Omania Casa, I don't care. We are here interviewing. When you're crying $100,000. When or Dana's not the rule, let's watch back.
That is why is it Fox? Because Donald Trump entourage in a call. Time Donald Trump president of Saudi Arabia. Any Saudi Arabia could didn't come about $100 billion one. The supply ammunition in Boeing Airlines. Fox Rupert was part of the team. It's Rupert, the owner. Rupert Murdoch was owner of Fox. So they build a relationship for the ones that this world is about networking.
Mira say, there be oka.
By the way,
there be oka about we are so to our network ebi no na dimpa heba mesa no ye nature medics for no enro no mo dia badwama so no den ne tunyade ahodo ase nature medics enro no ebi e dimpa heba mesa some malaria typhoid fever wanu nyo de ho anaso aye mre bohu na wapo no waposo yo ya bunya dimpa heba mesa ne be bebo apa omde dimpa gastro mesa ba and say stomach ulcer ekrupa na ba oyema ebetu ase de ama ene o menso plus mesa e man munsom e mo dia esiesie mo mamu ye emasima e ma oye oba bi a wonte atenkabone wonte yaw e o mfichikum eno ye menso plus mesa no ni nyina nso do ani kiremu wo Mr. Ba kuma so benya bi ato Jeff Ba o mankasi mpena heba wo Cape Coast nimde heba e o takrade na bo ache ba wo Accra e na tema e na Ekus Pharmacy wa Ashamai fre Nature Medics for 0248 778 899 0248 778 899 na bianye kama ye penipa mienu do mako Europe nipa mienu pe mema o kwa ba bia akotena no work permit bi bia kama ye mpen ne na sembia fe number is CI o passport ay ready ye mfa wonko ba bia beda ye kire wa katua na adwuma na wo koye no ba o tie adwuma na wo nkoye kra na ma no asase asirisu ebi se onya ba bi sikani number no 0241 272990 0241 272990 na bibia enye kama Jeffrey Asare the apostle
or the $2 billion ever share golf was it there what talk golf Saudi Arabia now owns the world golf. Yeah, they own golf now. They've made.
There's one person who this can control bibia.
And you control more investors can say boama nipa bibi.
And no better say wrestling for.
Yes.
WrestleMania 10 years. And Crescent invite Ronaldo as a guest.
And 10 years contract on my sign. 10 years.
Tyson Fury.
Yeah.
That's when
Francis Ngannou, UFC. Yes. That's them. The new direction. I mean, Saudi Arabia taking that look. We want people to know about Saudi Arabia. We are investing in Saudi Arabia, and then also attract more diversification. Don't forget that almost say oil in 50 years. They are looking at oil no back from the next 50 years. Almost share baby almost discover ra. That so oil no confirm. Almost still benya scabe. So it's not only in owns the Uber. Almost investment in Uber, SoftBank, Japan. That is what they are doing, making sure more diversify the investment into almost the football one area Skaumpa a bema first one mind will be a Drew. The new project is going to bring almost school academic excellence as the highest fulcrum of the Omuenya. So bedroom paper so be uko university ya. So tapu kuchawadia ni obecho nyina or glasses obeshe glasses penenya yes when you have offer book debi or glass nyina nti ata kan ya na efa wodi me okay. So that is for them, that is the new thing that they are doing to be the we are seeing baby a crowd cost effort. One they want to be Dubai. Be to Dubai to that. That's the new project. Want to be Dubai to we are baby FN in the money now. So conscious about the company. And see we are see open so town no be obenya atan for benya confirm be true assign. Yeah. Or no actually so on found your mukin. That is a mark of a good leader. We are focused and determined. Say new person achieve new be achieve. Last good year picture be boy we all catch us say opese this year no Europe no Asia nyina kan bom no be lead war to make sure that Asia become the new world economic order me boa. Yeah. So a show how determined. Is any papa oil man. Nti omani nyina sika bibia na hwe so. And so he's determined to make things happen and he's going to get it. Or an action guy. Or can we onso sika yi. The business can go na won obi asika won akola anopa breakfast sika wa bisa say medi den da. Da bi. Because near money at top breakfast, they may go be
Sissy Coffee, Aquadan Swan, because the open baby was the open chocolate drink, baby, our home. And answer Bisa say Betty the Nediaba. And okay, May 7, still was almost 7. So Saudi Arabia, the project is real. And look, this young man is doing very well. And found your Europeans back, Americans back. America, they are almost allied to them. The almost tank commerce. Someone saying Joe Biden. Okay, Joe Biden, your campaign, or can about how. Ni omu ye Jamaica shogina nye boni nanse wako ho. That's last week. Amako din komo kama. Yes, aso obaso omu de kakra be mane.
BBAC Joe Biden refi ni okan campaign. Donald Trump de ono nya atwomoji tumuza mi de ni papa mi hen sika. Ti yun sa samba on defend Ethiopia. Yeah. That's how the world is. So it's a new world order engine tum. Who ya on shukranye. It's a new world order. Let's accept it. Saudi the new dawn, the new and omu leadership in the Middle East that. And then the MENA region, so Omona, Yet the leader now, and the guy have money. PIF there, don't go there. Aramco, there's no company successful than Aramco. And he's using it very wisely and judiciously. Is there attention be a course Saudi Arabia? Is there a sky to me disguise Saudi Arabia like me? Aha. First in Saudi Arabia when David. But now it's a new order. Every young player, the next thing in Munche, EPL, La Liga, Munche, the next year or two, young player 22, 23, will talk around about from him. That's the level he's going to get to. We move Pejesi Ovia, now feed the young person, make sure so Ombenya Tima, Asian champion, make sure so Ombenya. And then that would then be a trouble for Europe. So Pep Guardiola can. Or see Omunya very careful. Yes, sir. Saudi introduced new opportunity in sports and athletics. $1.8 billion, 150. Don't joke. It's a new order. Accept it and live with it. That's sanity. Now let's move on. Quickly to Sunday Paris. There were a lot of incidents, but a quick one. Rivalry between Ronaldo Mokweni, Sundowns coach, and then Jose Rivero, Paris coach. And don't blame him. Paris has suffered under him when they come against Sundowns. But this is the first game of Mabwa, a close match. And on the touchline, they had issues. I did about the Smith. So, one more day, no. Correct. One thing about such class A, the ladies, no. Also, naturally, almost dressing, be respect the Paris ladies. Paris ladies almost dressing pa. Follow by. Okay. We saw this here.
Only didn't start.
What's that? We easy crap, but a part of the beauty and to himself we know we are commentary. The executive producer will tell to pick that shot. Okay. Cameraman saw pick shot and we are commenting so commenting on the shot. Because women are mad near them. Now, this game, Sundowns this season, I'm going to win 7 games. Like I come from the beginning of the season that they are going to win 7 games unbeaten. Now this was the 7th one, but this is the most difficult game about this season because all of a sudden Paris under Jose Rivera making sure say one, you see Paris now passing better, quicker in transit than before. Paris crossing about 7 crosses per half than before, and Paris pressing aggressively high than before. Last season, so in this game, was Paris first 45 minutes, Sundowns will always do what they do best. On the controlling game, they pass, they suffocate you. Very unfortunately, the only nipa 1 year in this for Peter Shalule because this season injury I think Oba and to Asha Ribeiro Costa, Alfred Beverin, Belgium by a Brazilian player. He's been consistent in the performance of the team in scoring than even Tembas one and Peter Shalule. So the opponent now this incident of the penalty, Abrantia Mobile, that's Shifelo Baloni or a young guy from an academy, Oba. Paris, ni debut ni, and now try Tembas one, captain of Sundowns. Debut that is and that from 23-year-old debut. Now who is going to score? Of course, you expect that's a silly challenge. I mean, you don't do this, but a debut, a young player for academy of Finoba. Now this is the Brazilian boy who scored. Or no, the Ribeiro Costa the 2 of the baby a 7 more simple cry. So he scored and against the Fochane. Now Fochane is so hard. On the man from your goalkeeper. Since Ofori he's been performing better than when Ofori was not available. Okay. Because of also keeping number 1. Now he's been able to score. But in the second half, trust me, Paris came strongly. They played so well. Unfortunately, there's almost free bench by Kemi Erasmus, very experienced player. Kemi Erasmus, Fortune Macarendia in midfield. They rather started pushing forward better. Zaki Lepasa, who had a bad day because this going to this game, 18 goals at Paris, so 10. So the expectation was high, says Zaki Lapesa will be able to at least score a goal to enable them beat Sundowns. But unfortunately, trust me, Buteli, Abumanen, or your top, the Moroccan defender, or your 2 good tackles on him and on McKinley at the end of the day, were not able to. So kudos to them. They've done a great job. Sundowns 7 out of 7, 21 points. Table now between them and Golden Arrows 7 points. It means that they are almost our coins will repeat another league title they are going to win again. Says Casanet, they are investing a lot into the team. And so almost between them and the rest, Chiefs, Super Sport, any Pirates, gap Noah. because they're investing in too much quality. Now, Miko Ali. Now, Ali, there's a new development. Mami share Anthony Modesti Tama, the tweet on joining Ali, no. Then Anthony Modesti, the tweet on Anthony Modesti.
Yeah.
So that's him.
French striker.
Yes, French striker. Ali Atono. I'm saying this for you to look at the level. You see the level now. This is from Dortmund player.
Bundesliga.
Now, yes. So Ali has signed Anthony Modesti. Now, the standard and the level. Now, Ali need the standard of Africa. That's the level. Or more audacity to pick a player from Dortmund. Now, someone said it's not the first time. They've done it in the past, and a rich history they've done. Foreign players come to play Ali and delivering very well. When they were playing very well at their peak, they will go and say, oh, Shocky 2006, Shocky Mohamed, Middlesbrough, Ali. He will leave Middlesbrough and come and play Ali. Even when Ahmed Hassan was playing regularly for Anderlecht, said, Hossam Ghali, who was Middlesbrough, 2012, come and play for us. That's Ali for you. Okay, Ramadan Sobin in Huddleston Town. They bought him before Toma Pyramid. That is Ali for you. They get top international players, and then they add to Nyomo. Ali Maluli, a top left back for the Tunisian national team. He's starting, he's playing for them. Pesitao. He's a Pesitao or Cologne or Anderlecht. And then they bought him. Permanent.
Yeah.
Pesitao is the top player for the Bafana. And they normally get national team players. We a foreign player, no, but Flavio Amando he was a top Angola national team player. Gilberto, top Angola national team player. Felix Abaji, at the time we were playing in Ghana, Felix Abaji called Ali. He was playing the national team. Oko 1996. Before he ended up playing for Ali in 1998, he was playing AFCON 1996.
Okay.
Here. So, for a club like Ali, when national team player, it's difficult for them to buy, especially a foreign over. That is a standard. You are not qualified to play with a national team player. So modesty but my focus this morning. The facts that who shared the game against how much they won 4-0. Hamdi Fati, Echo Al Wakra Sporting Club of Qatar. Amre Sulaya did 33 years. Ntisiano, coach Marcel Colin team using. So what he's doing now, Omato young player, be brilliant central midfielder and left winger. Reda Slim from AS FAR. Now you see that Omru USM Moja or you see some young guys or Luzie, but our Kukudo San Yuzi Omo against our match. Then you have Emama Shaw, Officer Malcolm Mijilan. Now Reda is 23, Emama Shaw is 25. Now Nabil Ahmed Koka, who share under 23 Nekosua between Egypt and Morocco now. He played as a number 6, the DM. Brilliant player, 22 years. Now Aliu then is 25, but winning 3 CAF Champions League for Ali. The Malentans, you see a Mali national team. He starts. And now Matia Marwan Allah, 25 years. So we share the midfielder. Even though Amre Sulaya 33 is here, Onuagu, Hamdi Fati Kono, he has a midfield that has an average year of 24 years. It means that midfield is going to be there for a long time. And Osha match game now, they are getting used to themselves. They are playing very well, and together they are playing very better. So Modesty is back. But Modesty will have a challenge. Fan Fofo, Pesita will be his number 1 threat. Mahmoud Karaba, these 2 players, they are Ali G Champions League against Wako.
Any guarantee?
No. Guarantee. Ali, there's no guarantee place.
Also justified.
Hussein Shehat, $5 million or bench. Afsha Mabi, $3 million bench. So it's not about the fact that you are at the most. No, look, the competition for place in Ali very competitive.
Mirase Jeff Rasaro na moten nka no hayo Sompa 93.1 full time was guso awuti no enche na ese de fisem ba Lawrence ya we champion say Brighton made me slept under my bed. Zakov Mohammed, as I said, great to see Mohamed Kudus on the scoring sheet for West Ham. We wish him injury-free season. Go there, Abdul Kudus. Happy birthday to Ajia Adiza, aka Pearly Strong Guy. Okay, and we so say about Michael Saribodu Mfano, right? But Nyaminti say or the home tono your bompa say next week ko ba be kan ho ma bibia e kalanti Bismarck champion Obisa Michael Saribodu Nyaminti nti say no or recover kama eba pa we so say boss lift okay good morning Sompa please okay mambusa sarebodu no me wogide say ma church mba bia no na no mfa no banyame admo or recover ahoden eba kama pa I love my love for Messiah is too much keep it up Messiah and I'm not Brimpon Michael and I do so abba okay yeah na yi adam messages aka ni nyina afro eso edi amamo ewo dwumadi no so na mum say game park for say en kan tro say ebre no enie game park for say omo bemu akwanya chusu number from 1 to 36 na every day bia no wo hwe adum tv omo ebobo 3 times or 9 am 12 noon and 6 pm said be ya ebekoya now dial star 946 to all networks now what download a game park mo okom website ado download mo app ni bi no follow no wanya sika twa bi ebi say ade say 1 to 36 numbers no utimi etwa from 1 cedis to 350 Ghana cedis na say uwini per omo airtime so sika no 26 times unyani babia enu ye game park nkwa na obetimenya na bia so aye kama ndifa won join na bia nya kama wo uninu 18 years me ba cho unka ho bi enu edi fro e ba ye de emam saso ena Vodafone Ghana semen kan kiro se ade se Vodafone broadband no omo de aba na fa ho hiem ena even Vodafone fixed broadband ebe boa ma wonya internet kama etimi de yi wodwuma na enu offer no omo de ma no anu odene offer no mu ode offer no mu etwam almost so a new customer nasa woto a Vodafone fixed broadband no oba for say upebi 1 month ubenya 50% bonus data and watching so alternative so home and so 3-month subscription in advance and so 50% bonus data normal say free installation so at the amount and to do so be dial star 900 and I be call 0505 555511 and I be call my Vodafone app na so visit bibia eso aye kama eso edi amount eno edi etie eso no ye hwe na mizo ye drink no numbi na bia enkoe ma ye fruit drinker wonya bi no ebeboa ukọ ayaresabia se hospital bia ayarefo no no anomon so onuma omunya ahoden eno achi no ye say catch us say program bia say mizo fruit drink if say fruit na omode ye na no ode eno achi no ye Sunday ye miza 5G swaba eno grapes no ano ode na guarana no wom na jense no eboa memma ma usisi achi ye dene wo say adwuma abra omre memma ne mana mofu ayakase no pese so tia unya miza 5G ebetima aboa benefit ama no manyina koi ediama open dosopo to akoto number me di betu dwan ofra babia obia no ye di be bro ama so watimi aton ama bia ye fine 0246 2702221 0246270221 ofra babia obia no ye de be mala bia kama ye da ye ho aba ye ba dia kanyana ne beto aso ediama
wahese wako shop akodi dwa ahodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma ahodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante ye me chance number na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko be bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me kire say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ye hia o be ya de say o be dial star 110 hash na tua ka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now, and number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap In Jackpot. Do it. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
So betu kwan akosua de ewa amanone enda from kra. Top tier amana ye fo. Achechefo a ye de omo ye adwuma no. Etutu kwan esua de ewa amanone emfi bebre. Ye betimi aboa wo. Amwa bo degree or masters or postgraduate or doctorate or US, UK, Australia. Any of my mind so bebre. Ye yen chwehwe ma won ma won person won sure sat IELTS and to fail. So person wo tu kwan akosua de ewa amanone dia. Empa top tier. Kumase ye wo Amakum Bank of Africa and Temuho. Fred 0260 411 847 and I say +1 646 659 5045. Accra, your Medina, Rolling Circle, Yeni CC Hagen Plaza Building, no, and a bon renimu. Medina Polyclinic, your number, 020 3592 008. Takrade, your NK City, Fire Service, and Chenghua. If you Kwanta Road, no so, you bang Fijai School Park. Your number, 059 800 7852. Just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Hey, it's your 4 game pack 4 pick one game na ya channel. After dia bedroom, choose one by da wakoma so. Every the number 1, equity 36. Chani boom, na share nim say, ube disika bocho, wa bra ye number ne pie. Bobo na ye ready say, ube di mula, wa bra wucha from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 cedis. Na face kana ube channel. Fabo home play the nusia, make 26 times. And what's up pick one game imu. Chabano, abra wu star 946 hash on all networks. Ana a face ube timia kwa yen website. Ana ube download the Game Pack app no. Ewo www.gamepackgames.com. Share live draws. Ewo Adum TV. Anopa no nkron. Ewia dumie no. Ena nwumre no nsia. Debia. Game Pack. More mula. More power. Sagrodi. National Lottery Authority in Sashasi. Enye mo ndi mfie dumwachi. Bono wa hwe yiem.
Esikafo wo krom wo de yi anana se edidi hu nkomo yi en wakofa abrofo free abrochira ba besin in terms of fefe sa no akwa ma se abrohafo 52 estate construction en ese dan kama sa no e ka no so nya hu bia o 52 estate construction firms nko na esi wo dan se me ka se wo ka champa tie company ni din en e frɛ no 52 estate construction. Oh, I see. Waton sase en adan amanso ni ho en wo si adan so ton wo san manage properties na kire se wo pedan ato wo pasase ato anase wo pedwumaku bia amenesi modern houses amwanya bi ato a mo na unim wo fie kura wasi etimo no se ne bretwam na wo jade ma 52 estate construction fo a that is a design in your fabie mu a mo nyese bi mo buda no nyina guo ba se no besi aye dan no modern wan hwe wanka sa wo du fie no wo hura wo hunu wow na wonu mo hefa 52 estate construction e wo Kiseman Gimpa Achimota Road 0556 72 33 38 and the Kumasenso page 4 and 12 Road over 0531 52 57 97. Social media nyina so at 52 estates.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic nkoa wo mu dia bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade pa ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Right, yes, I mawakwa about the Sompa 93.1 FM, live on Sompa TV full time. And your team kunya so ye bro no. Said them the two anim Abraham Shedmadi na said the Wednesday be the GPL extra ye the bro no. Now no because of air calf interclub competitions in no teams mienu Premier League ne chance o man timi nsia kan. Enu ntino mo ma kwanya mo bo mo de enu ntine e na ye de team of the week any player of the week no ye de ba Ricardo Vara Barras aye crowd na mom Royal Foam Ghana Limited for some encounter say obi da obeda be soro wanhwe hu sem paso no dae tokru bia beda mattress no so wanya mattress papa so ana obeda be soro se me kon madam kon so obeda be so da yakra na obi kura ya konti ba bi di nachi wana mattress papa so eno na apiem a Royal Foam Ghana Limited for say omo foam na mattress omo di aba no unya bia so ye carpenter ni hotel adwuma na wo ye na ope mattress papa o client ebe da so mani beje a bromo na beje omo mattress ni bi na bibia enye kama eno ye Royal Foam mattress no enkoyi ma omo se omo outlet no okwa omo office awodo a omo de elma mo eno achi ukọ omo factory na ewo asokware mampon ben eye CCC na bon sampa omo mattress awodo omo ya also office awodo a okwa obetimanya omo tete so discounted amount eno achi omo se ensan kan kiro se o mattress no no omo san chaw pillows me free ama ade akọ eno Royal Foam Ghana Limited no omo se frɛ number sesia na asem bia no de busa omo na ba bia pese onya bi to no so omo de bi brewa omo de be bro na no mu ni nkomo number is 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 frɛ na no mu ni nkomo na bibia enye kan 52 estate construction o se na asasinya no dene sikanya so dene eno wonya sika na obi a ompe bresem ye landguard obekọ no na asase ne mpene ohini bi ne ntuma mu sabe akwam fufu ni ntutu na otom nipa be miensa nom enu nti no opia 52 estate construction for say asase akeka wa bi ani ho woda wada wa omo kura no pa omo abese asi edi amount enu nti bra na omo ma wasase ane bo ne da fo ni sika mpa ombe mo tua ne kakrakra ejapade mpo na awo na woni wo pese omo hwe soma wa ombe so kama di amount ehe na wo pese unya apartment omo abe rent apartment ba bia pe bia aside di amount enu achi no wo fie wosi adura bi pese wo ton efie no ho akere pese wo ton ni nyina no ombe ja ton edi amount ade bi efa edansi asase ene ejapade ho no 52 estate construction ene yedu mo adansi akamfo edi amount from say 0556 723338 0556 723338 and 0553 1525 797 office to our website na 52estate.com oko Facebook Instagram na TikTok home na bibia so aye kama na upiem won kran omo Keseman Junction Jimpa Achimota kwan so Kofme Plaza Kumase so no offer page 4 Antwa kwan so a na obehu omo from na no mu eni nkomo na eba asase won sensem ne efion sensem a uno mu eni nkomo na wada na bia kama Trinity of Arc Limited esa kwanto onsem uye lab technician health worker nurse ni midwife akwanyina ba edi ama wo Canada saso na pese wo ko America obeso okwa Europe na oye footballer na obeso petim dem a trials akọ ana se obeso tu kwan kobo ball ni nyina no beboa ma bia ye kama ma ukosua ade ana qualification ben ana pese okwaje ni nyina no Trinity of Arc beboa ma won set me aka enu atwom si companies a wodo da be down mo we carpenter ni we mechanic we kuani we plumber we pool loader security enu achino we adwuma as a supermarket worker ni nyina na kwanya ba adwuma bia ni yeso ko school anko school we oba sa we bema omde okọ companies da be dom so mo pa adwuma for mom ti fambo Trinity of Arc for no mfa ntu kwan omo se visa omo jama ansane scanner wa ba betu na zongo ni kan gawuta Ghana ma fele gadochi visa before payment enu achiri kuma so mo adoa to masala chi no mbe Abrepo Junction nkan so mo kaso new market no ekwa na ekọ Fidelity Bank no abrosa no duru first floor hona be hunu omo from 0531 644 217 and 0531 633 556 and 0205 572076 from na kwantu onsem de omo fa nkọ na bianye kama Ricardo enya aye crowd GPL extra odi ewuram na player of the week any team of the week no am yehunu omo na wotwi mu match day 1 bana we omo modern born ekon ka Ricardo
Luta
boko de
nyame adom na won so e
nyame adom yekrukram a
no de nyame ase
say ye players omo modern born kon kan de
egusu a ekoso egusu ekoso omo guso omo bo omo modern
okay wadaroma yiti o
Luta me ma ahwefo ne atifo akwa biem emfamra GPL extra so on say we no aya na ba Wednesdays be no na ehun akohia se ebe ne nam say 2 games ka mu we have Wednesday na media matifie ene akala yon se bo 2-2 na dream self tifie e share ba kwa nations omo enso entimi ante ti ye ka bibia bo mu no na ye say ye de said one enso si kono enso si ba in terms of your team of the week in the way team of the week for match week 1 coach a o jinam amaye no coach efena Fatau Salifu onu di nejuma my team FN Accra Lions. So Baba Bra Sports and Ba Ibinya draw to no and the coach of the week. Oh her team ni mo branch FN TK Osai sina kind of Heart of Lions or no Ejinam Edamaya Sanso na Ebenezer Adade for Dreams FC or no Enzo Ebo yen right full back na Edamaya David Odro for Accra Lions na afu benya Gordon Abusa na afi Nurudin Yusuf Kumasi Asante Kotoko enso ene Samatex respectively omo ene boy yen center back no enso Edamaya enfinfi ono benya brantia your friend Lord Hilary or no for RTU Elijah Ade for Bofo and afi abrantia your friend Sadat Mohammed for Nsuatrema na brantia na controversies one transfer who ye pass and kotoko be ko nko a kopie mu Nsuatre no mo ene mrante me enso mo gina yemfimfi ani wo no benya amankona for Brekum Chelsea for the 2 goals no boy no nya branch friend Frank Antwi for Legon Cities na afei abrantia friend Kofi Asma for Mediama nti omo ene mrante duba ko a yen team of the week no omo enso etimi wura mu this week eno ene said no one enso city na debiara da said ye no ye team of the week we are as a player of the week and so betimi aba and this time around no the first time for 2023-2024 season call era ma branch your friend Amankona ono na yem player of the week so we say obi apeja ntia hwewie mu a obo ne
second goal ni tie na no
Abrante no and so na yem player of the week into here about na say na call so and 52% Abrante and so timi nya as compared to Frank Antwi for Legon Cities 16% after Lord Adabo and so for RTU 32% on engineer and no yem player of the week goes to Abrante FN Steve Amankona and Debiara da said yes here say OJ player of the week we ba ho so na watimini ya din komo adwen komo te bibia to mu a Amankona be ba
wa ma me nko papa
mo die we ndie mesrewo so ho ba bia be ko
okay o say onu a friend Kofi nti o say Kofi ne Amankona Starboy edin komo the player of the week papa Amankona ba ho so
Starboy. Hello Starboy. Netizen. Hello Starboy. What's it mean? I'm just Starboy we connect you know asaba. Na omunya
okay. Yeah shena nya
adwuma na oye ho no ene ani bro de wi season no into the moon check it 2222 by 30.
Okay.
Hello Starboy.
Hello.
Na apomo ko de.
Na mi adon mi dia ko na nso.
Wo voice no for ma dey come do ana.
Oh, you okay.
Opani na actually Ghana for atoaba almost weekend Premier League ball in Ghana ha no. Una na amode mo so anipa. Wa hwe aba na omato na oji this who deserve it.
Oh, nyankopon be dia when say afena ya sha ye said man tie bomba te nyankopon oji Ghana for so hia. Omuti mo de mo na so na moto aba man tie bomba te nyankopon so che no mo nyama omoto aba na mame.
Match day 1 about 2 goals. Say top scorer say all league the moka ho. But I bet pa ni si we ni so season way.
Oh, I feel bomba che but I know chimani so no nyankopon be tutu na ma say me ja sha ase no say e be to so sa ama me. Ye bomba che obi ade no papa be tabachi a di je be fine.
Goals no ba ko ye penalty na mom second goal ni egusu a ye head on TV so. Ye hu ya ne say udi amofa chi ye a cheke wa onua e na akodane no e na o place ball no. Fa goal no take it off no then e ba wadwem.
O sa cheke na le obi kwa me na abobo ntini tama mi take ball na kwa enya nwoma ataka so de ni ne ball nti ade na ba mi tina se ball na da mi ti do me ball na se mi place ball no once yeah
ti ball do cash nya me no nyam se na o boss e o be hye sa ball na o ball e
oh no ma take me decision da mi ti ya ball na me do me nti ni control bi ase it's not sure collect na se bi ayi se am dey that's me ya na me place ball na share
na de amam fonti ase ne se em se ball no de o mo se brekum ho no de o ye Ronaldinho na mom se ko ba bi fufuro bi ha no adane Lacazette
oh entisa
nti afi ni de na ehwe animu
oh afi de bom pete yankopon be shino ni nyam ni yakwanka etwaso sa ndia afi masati ni bom pete yankopon mere e bi ma mi kan a bibia de pijama mi a ni metimi be ku jesi esi papa
last year you bet this year person you bet fufuro
Hey, Kawasemi, you open.
Yeah,
See, him when I'm so 20 goals, about 2,000.
No, you're going to
Can we be able to Chelsea at Chita for no? And no Ghana for you.
Oh, we're going to be on the pipe on Tennessee. I feel like you're going to actually leading us in football game. Treating win or lose what I think. I'm going to say, yeah, but finally, I'm going to pipe on Tennessee. I'm going to say, what I say. I'm going to on Tennessee.
Penny, you're the CP, Brown, and my no pay. Now, your bumpire say, Bra, and they are Arabia, man, sees you with my babu near. Tifojina Joso, Brikum Fojina so Joshua.
Okay, that's it.
Said that's
Papa Pokunako ene Sompa GPL Extra, a player of the week. Steven Amankwana akwakodi nkomo na baby me dekura no se o se o bom paye se said wa chance no ebeto aso se ya na betway golden code promo no yeguso de ma na Friday ebeba ni nyina no se okọ betway website a eno an se omo a select teams e de amount na ni nyina no se o so twa from 1 cedi ekokosi 50 cedis entwa more than 50 Ghana cedis na se wa ni a on be refund sika e de ama e betway for the love of the game and into omonya da just ne kama e the amount if ho jimbi na bibia enye kama unin 18 years a emfa ho na top tier travel consult e se opese okọ abrochire ekoko school wo exams bia opese wo tworo school bay na omo na nka so mo akyerɛkyerɛ for mo ye adwuma na kyɛ more than 18 years and schools awdo omo na pay admission edma schools no enu nti so opese wo kɔtworo exams bia na fa ho be down a top tier travel consult no mo do be fa ankyerɛkyerɛ mu no ma kyerɛ exams kro na wo kɔtworo no kwan ya be fa so a wo be tworo no e kwan be fa so a be pass na school no kra nya admission a e wo scholarship mpo a top tier travel consult on be boawo ama won set me aka scholarship ama bia ye kama enu ntom se Canada say US say Europe ba bi na pese okọ hen na school no wanya hen na pese okọ school no wo de na se fa ho koda top tier travel consult na bia enye kama omo branches a wo do Ghana ha na omo obi e wo eye enkran omo branch no upiem wa Accra Medina Rolling Circle CCA Gam Plaza omo ni Medina Polyclinic ne dem hwem wo nkran a anapa Accra omo office na fe number 0203 59 2008 ena Kumase udu Kumase amakom traffic light Omo Ben Bank of Africa. Kumasi number 0260 411 847. And attack rade. Omo ewo NK City Fire Service. Omo Ben we fiam kwanta kwano so. Omo Ben Fijai School Park. Oba feta krade for no ewo 0598 007852 na bibia. Eso etma kama nsema odua. Yensa kan ye nyo panyi popropo ebi ewo fia ene bedi nkomo emrepa ma me na kwaba. Ansakra ne de fisem no ato aso wie ne na ba bedi nkomo ne enim de nte wapiem ha chairman akwaba
Vita ya meji so
opanyina mama na akwaba ni din e de eye Benjamin Texan do for na Abramovich ono so wayira power bi ase na opiem Go Stars Premier League team ewo bibiani omo supporters vice chairman no chairman say china no ma de dada kwa mu
insuru
ko bia ni abrio
oh insuru
sa
enkasa kra so mum nim yitimi okuwa bibie ni ho the first season be share has be share enem say wafa enso be share but yeah one of the teams are home points in fan niagro
me ba cho fasi wa mame na mpese me acknowledge you na nkrofo esa wa ha lebo mame mfansam kakra aboabo no ne e wa fisem no entudwa uram Ghana ye Premier League no March week 2 ebetimi ashase enne na sena na otwa wie fishes no eso esi etie enne opiem a bofa kwata no ene Real Tamale United ene ede ebepim so eno chena Go Stars ene Asante Kotoko Dance Park o bebiani eno so game china ebe to dwa enu achi no opiemu a Hearts of Folk so ball against Nsuatreman on Sunday enu game a ebe to dwa ewo Accra Sports Stadium ena be Chem United ni Dreams FC so ebe hia ena Aduana FC so ball Mediama Karela United ni Brekum Chelsea so ebe hia ewo Indum Sports Complex na se bia so aye kama enu Hearts of Lions so ball against Great Olympics ena opiemu Nations FC and Samates ebe hia na opiema Monday eso na kwa Accra Lions eso ni Legon Cities eso esha Wafa Park eno so far match day 2 fixes no said the city na uroma krobia kumasa Sante Kotoko report from us eba no say we be ne omu efri kumase na krobia kumasa Sante Kotoko akakopiem ewo babiani na omakobo mu adwa kakra na omako prepare so so mani abre sakrodom ni nyina no say match day 1 no results no said na coach Ogum ne mrante ne peno mo nsan kan sa ento so mo koda no mo toto no ma said be ya kina o be si for mama santeman ene kumase ne kotoko chitafo e de flags no ebebosi ene de free kotoko o ma so e ba no no yenwa mo Hearts of Folk o ma so ye so reporter e ba eso ne se coach ye friend Copman ono so say RTU amana ni so abri na unsa Ghana League no senye bayira abrewadwo entini game obebo no Sunday against Nsuatreman no dear supporters and
Sunday I think it will be not easy because we play at home and we lost the first one. The second one, of course, we want to win, but all teams want to win. I think it will be a nice game also for us to show the fans that we our red-on players have a little problem, but they will solve this week. So I think we are all ready to step in the first 11. There are a lot of players who have the same level as the players who played, and we must make a choice. But it's always near each other when you're on a bench or sometimes on the tribune. But that is my job to make a choice for Sunday.
Eno de fro eba ye de ma Hearts of Folk boss ye friend Copman edi tudwa na uram Hearts of Folk team no anopai ye training kakra na awie Hearts of Folk team no besan aye training achina anopa be training and sakra na omako camp ahead of game on Sunday ebebo na no de fro ba no parado ena ye no paridi nkomere bisa say Maxo Kunadu ena phobia for mu be hia no mu yam enhyehyemo munso se Maxo Kunadu na moni ni be hia no yente de opare ado editudwa
so we attended the same school with my senior me onim football no I be nso ye ne go etwam koda ya moedi no mundi nko ya kan e dey nim no and say your ball by on Sunday we do the talking on the pitch and prove to everybody that it cannot continue that way forever.
Eno ensamo pareado editudwa eno achina okasafa behwa adefo no so ho yente de oditudwa
in terms of patronizing the game, it's a whole issue affecting the whole country. But then I can only speak for ourselves that the way I listening, bringing the supporters together. Everything before the season started, there was the leadership of the supporters were invited. So whatever that the club does, whether it is in terms of project, in terms of initiative, in terms of getting to the stadium, calling up our supporters together to support the team in whatever time. We do it together with the leadership of the supporters. So in this game also, all the leaders of the supporters are very much involved. They all know and understand the plan, and you continue to work.
Samatex na ono so no akasa de afa Nations FC game a omro mbebo no kwasiada ne yente nsema Godwin abusa editudwa
asebebe so for no that's everything nyame you know mushia last season FA Cup then easy mo buy pa na ka mi san nya penalty me na me bo me say no na me adom na nya win of them she one nya one goal in the divini FA Cup no ba fu you know okay mu team na my son is the pre no aso e mu game no mu ni dreams edu baby no na dreams ka defend see so okay mu game na mu changes about mu team the pre o masa na new coach see Sunday there learn formatting ba dia me home game no mu style of play no na e die no enye pe ba emi metime kan say o ma lusun kwan die match enye easy game na mo Sunday ba
easy game ma tima your friend no Samates nyame pa kwasi da no yensema odi tudwa na eno na former player wa ball Ghana Premier League ni bi da Prince Opoku Adjuma dodo na fan aipe ena yehia ne ne panyini di nkomne bi say aipe se ye league yi kra ye football yi mo ma bobi da no nka ho nsem nkire kakra say ena musi hu no
so sende so sense say bi anya mai enye fe game na ankasa no yes obenya individual play ma ko minu bi a say ye kakra ba o kan nyina buma game na akura na hum kan se de nim enim se bibia so ate e o wiase ba Ghana de ne de so ate pa se o kwa no kwa be so ani je be na o de ko hebo ni bi sanka team se ko bo match na ha se bo match we de no atre fi se wo bo bia wi o mo wi o pese o ko na ko hebi ene o ko kura o do se ko kire wan na wa na e ko ya anti kakra bia na se bibi kakra ma o de ni ka bi free stadium mo kura ba fi na no kura susu ni agro no mu ti kura ni pa bia o ma be twa ball no ho share den se o ma yo ma di so mo na ball na yo mo dia no ni o mo pa no mo ye nti ball no mo bona nkasa ayi ti se friend say abusu ku bi se uni mu dia udi agro ball ni nti sa so e ko na kwa ma ne ya ka manche no ko mu dia agro sa de ne ka mo e be de no bi etima showcase ni talent pa ma ye ko because refuge na mu bui empani fo mu di ball na chi o mo ye na bui di odi ani mu kura so ka enka because one way now can one can ya oba be tamfo ayi ti se de okura woni hwan na wo kana se so any party say ade ni nya na
ade ne nya na enye eno eye player emrebe twam no si academy of United My Stars ene bofo akwa tano your friend Prince Opoku Adjuma do don friend ayipe na de o ka se de odi animu no kra no de o ye ne nya ne bisa se de odi animu ne ye keto na ket administration no ye former footballer say ena usi hu no ye ntem waya ayipe edmaye
oya branche minim de ebi kra be na minim fi ni de no na bia me chen no zi meka so my younger brother e papa ana so my senior brother so ba ye ka se juma di pa na so ba wa an ka se mi ni no wa woni me ye meka se ubi se bi se me na we interview uni prefer se on fa se ya ma she meka ho adanu mi nya kwanya he niema na yi friend say place abobo la wie na ye mo ma was night ni mania de ne wu de pa na ye ni kase mu enye na player bi kan ho ka se sika ye de man no ye si va chon van ko dentist ana to sanki kan kika woni ma we free kesu e krachi ni otu kwa bebre o hwe football ni bi unim de yakoso ni na de no mo ye sa indicate de se obi ono ma obi ka se obetimi a mi hu ni mode mo bia mi hu sisan bia odi abam be do ba na mo mujidi pa hwe se anka se na ne nkomo bie ni se no ye ne ma na me jidi se bia anka betuma be sisan ne ma but it is the test akosi ko no je kwantia hwe sisan
eno eye Prince Opoku Adjuma yipe former My Stars bofo akwata no no kwa United player na ye kwa ni di nkomo no so de na adwenkyere etudwa na ebre no ko yemfa nsema wo de boaboa no ensia na yenwuram ekakra na mame nko opanyini ho ansa na me ne papa pokumo adi nkomo chairman
uta
se bibia boko de
nyame adom
echina Gold Stars ene Asante Kotoko supporters una ye vice chairman nhese ne ene say
with us mechia we Gold Stars etifo ni ahwefo nyina supporters na mechia mo chairman luta some idea to akwam ni say and right any management meeting concerning this match you say it is one of the big high profile matches I able no hono out of 17 home matches no you say Kotoko any has na high profile matches until this time no yeah me share ama media phone na am say ye dey Twitter handle hono ye media you on mama wey by supporters na nkasa dey from say environs ni na ya communicate through that places ama cars are available china Saturday ye be say Kotoko for the first time ye ba premiership ye Kotoko da by a china say deadlock ni be breaking over be any sports stadium and as a dance park nyambo china because your first time your first year premiership no be share 1-0 be share 1-0 upon a share sago no what wa ma hwe but the main game no ni nyaye
budget 3
points last year ye ni 1-1 ho no and yes 1-1 Kumasi and this time there are two was say sadly only so start here o tenase and so area no anti ya tenase baako ya area nti edu time was here nanti
ti say dem na age form
e china se kotoko and let me tell you one thing
e china go start se kotoko
yeah se kotoko I'm sorry all department kotoko constance in your team apart from Lamte Danlad Sharif first year Obobi we can play are about 3 consecutive seasons kotoko what you say any share first one no any last year crowd here no and justice Blay this year me show so be because him so fringe crowd na eba aka be 5 players but let me tell you yeah oba kusi wo ho what you say kusi wo ho no your hack wo ho Farouk wo ho what you say enu of Formula of Liberty and then Ashgood ono so wo ho no and meet my Chelsea see ano your die wo ho your William Denchi from House of Folk these are players they are well tried and tested in the Premier League so all department I can tell you your strikers half is from Dreams and your Alexeso okay also from Legon Cities what you say your players apart from Abedin Gotete Obianko so we have a consistent team every say here and your sanko for Abosomchi from Samates
Edin Baye say team ni dia mo hye ne ye
Makati wo hono mo and Abanahene so wo hono mo what you say you change so wo hono mo nti I can tell you kotoko
enti dia obubo ye dia ugiri se be hunahuna kotoko fa na
oh omfa player meto dwai isi kotoko stadium akɔhwe hwan
ma yenti ade we ye wi a na yasen aba yenko umi enti kakra
Premier League 2023-24 season. Affair Duobi, Costas, Dominus, and the Krabia Kumasa Santi Kotoko, and a deep one. I will be Biani Dance Park Saturday at Dianimia, 23rd September. And we are Nomi and Sompa Pepe. Management, technical team, and you playing body in the sea, physically, mentally. Am I ready for this game? Way I go stars. Your first home game of the season. And one team and trophy. Am I Yaniki? And Kwashabu Pramano Soma. Nyanko support your boys no. Operation on deck. Nya GL 3 points. And you feel Kumasa Santu Kotoko. Get fees no so there for 4 crowd. VIP 60 Ghana cedis. Popular stand 30 Ghana cedis. And unti Malaysia Memenda. And we are Nomi and Sompa Pepe. Our dance pack. Bibiani Go Stars. Tsunami Go Stars. Tsunami Go Stars. The minus.
Abramovich
one name on so one players no Kamara you one player between 7 years Kamara he has been always consistent Kotoko ba he's up for big matches only has share only do share he's a former player with Diana you know never Sopuku
okay
what he say big matches who Panatina last year has Kotoko for concede very intelligent player
Tichna de mu wie Kotoko.
And I look Kotoko for Nankasa no so no pay. Prince Ouskwabla. Ouskwabla they qualify by you. I'm so shebe 18 to 20 goals. The only time zone 2. And his new work rate was untimi. Irrespective of defenders Kotoko so matoni na untimi. What you say?
Kotoko the prof na eba o. Ogum na eba o.
Prof Ogum. Onim the dance park there for fan ni so. Onu onim
Kotoko boys ni bufuo fu.
Let me tell you one thing.
I'm saying no results and no pay from Lions nya no munya yo. Nto mo de ni bro mo de ba dance park no.
Omunya mo adwen some who matches no be win. But baby ni bi.
Munim baby na Kotoko ba baby na ni baby on beda.
Kotoko.
Uni baby no beda.
I'm sure there. Luther Kotoko ba baby ni Monday. Wednesday Kotoko na ne boss any executives ewo nyahini. I'm telling you, choose a man tell me you.
When him da Kotoko fa besa nsuo bi ne anwea bi wo
only problem. Se park na dia.
Sir.
Yeah, your security for 24/7 that park so make and rich na mo park so and run mo ho. I'm telling you.
I don't say bibi be koso ana.
Me bom fie ho ban.
Ona say board the ball near ball.
See, bibi ni wiase anka down to punu. Mi bom fie ho ban.
And as a mukramu yasuro.
Yensuro hwe ba mbom fie ho ban. Ani oda men to punu. So nsuro di bi o wiase also da men to punu.
Omo ko be poso ne preseason omo koyeye. Nanu go so na ama o.
Let me tell you one thing. Kotoko. Omo me on. Let me tell you. Lutas am kasam no kan ma o. I have been a Kotoko fan before. 2000 2003 time me I'm nanti from Dinyase and be Chastila and as watch mo e wo yi Red Park on mo
and say ko ebia e say omo de akolon wo ba bi
me da bi on search be o den so nsayem sir I'm telling you this on search be o den so nsayem efie ni fie ofie pete or so nam kra bi e dey ebika and I'm telling you we are the right on western of we are proud of the team I won. Let me tell you Kotokoni has ebeba beginning from omu nani say we are educating our supporters our mati as say because me Kotoko mo ha fine but the whole year e bia matuma ba kumase ba ko mienu me dem fansam ti atonsu ampo na rebi obi antimi ama obi ntimi ase nko akra nko has match but 17 good matches yeah you hear no baby in sport dance park me ko support team baby me tu me car and as en fa prague ya 2 cities medus park Metuya 2030, my home ball. A channel match near 30 cities. Okay. El Popular stand. 60 cities. El VIP. Your best media for no so mumrantem intimia and shemu send a bay at least fans and a more. Yeah, I'm on my cast be intimia him ye sebi. Events you be a yeda. Okay. Party funeral and other things. Into ye short. Ye follow short to previous a first the matches be a moon fan chair. Near this time we in came to me better things. Near Fanco. Why management akasa
na chamba bie stadium tambe
stadium arambe 10:30 ni ebie
na chamba bie ntem okay more events bi amba ya na before the kick off and say eno ase ye ba time so ana
bibie ni de and Friday say na market day bibie ni e ho ba bia boss wa ko wap ko e ho boss what you say 8 years on nim you qualify ba no you both dem over you wap ko what you say Diamond City abeka ho your other events be e o bibie ni obetuma dem I mining you I'm telling you the obenya no kumasi bia obenya no bi ni
mate be da se mesi aba so ma me nko mabedwafo na menyo omo so adwen kire kakrakra papa boku ma me nhyase emfiri ho so fan sembebre ne de agu form Abramovich Babiani Go Stars almost supporters vice chairman wabe say some de na apostle can some one can be na haso ye bibia so de ye record to ye de ya doada
obey adwuma
papa mbacho ye nko enim
still your best akọ
me chama me ye chama me menya no 5 minutes mama na ye nko
unkwara thank you very much
thank you for the word so sweet
yeah we are there the dance park we are there e do bia sem na ba no chief of staff did maybe abi go change to around me pregnant me family 1 minute 2 minutes being claim for you happy birthday to you Pastor Charles Impieni and your birthday also for I mean sure na ne we bia enye Pastor Charles Impieni so and Mrs. Patience Edinkra and your birthday I'm a beauty aka Patience Edinkra Kwame Edinkra on to me TV the wife no so na Emmanuel Kojo Chamatin so to police Dovs unit Iba happy birthday Yankopon Shana Bianconkan
so but on crab so be dim her on the 9th of October at TV before Firework Festival no also more football activities be ewo o ma invite yes yemra nti me makacha se me ni atapuku yeba
chief okay nti no mpacho o tro bi ato na brand do so yo na yeko you know the ma yemu bi no your passion na ebroso no nya ne se
some passports
region ahone ya wo mi
okay
minimum ba ebe kwa akosi dwabo so na ni debi so Kotoko ntiamam for beba bibia ni ochina that's western off
okay
the next region I have and so beti makwa akosi sankore kasapin go so akrodie amam for beba mba be Kotoko dance park central region I am free amam for dia so omu nyina beba de nchobo ase mba be Kotoko dance park last time out mo nam fo a omo wasa kropon omo hwe sa match mihia wasa Amenfi East DC
okay
match na se mi wura mo ono kwa na so me sa last time Gold Stars any has Kwampoku CID
yeah
no bon efrefre dom manipa bo enu ti ne pesa mo ye ne ye no so ye ne ya obegya na dwuma ho e de ne sika be hwem na aboa na te Gold Stars can so it's going to be a festival every game amahwe Gold Stars no kotoko bia no Gold Stars bo chance ne go one moment na kotoko apanish we upon the air na Abramovich came a moment of magic because na Prince Osu kwabna ko born a chance ama abalore yi ene ye be share kotoko be share last year omunya yo mo boy sa nko and then em say amofa krea na kopai da Costa
Kwala Fabo
o paya na Bukwala Fabo 1-0 ntino there is tension and drama I was how much room China dance park no obi amra ebi awo western central western north ahafo bono betima fa sunwa truni ewrem sisia ababa behwebi come and enjoy the Premier League because to no esete
yeah
na ebeto aso ewo ho ntino obi amra bibia nyame admo china odomra ede yenkwa chen ya mbehu ye ho ebeda ma de a chance na minimi chief yaba
okay
na me so me disi no your region num ewo bu no ho no your Premier League teams bebre obi enu ho obi sin e Ghana football capital na ene bu no ho
Aduana
wo ho Bichim
Brekum so atre Bofakwa
etimi kra yi Bichim film hom kwa half still here for much what I say nemu ye nyina na say ka football na ye Bofakwa tano NBA United. These were the pioneers and our torchbearers of football in that region. Na bibi na kote bayra homem amana mbo yi enunti ena Brekum Arsenal na first club on Africa our region. Dano Usu, Kwesi Usu, Prince Adupoku, Joe Ochre, I mean all George Arthur, all these players emerged from that region. But after almost 10 years or more without Premier League football for any of the traditional giants in the region, and that Bofo Ebo, Bofo Aquatano, Bofo Aqua, Aqua Tano, Nebo for Aquatano. Na suyi pebra samba ai na mo betia ITU iwiase we nyankopon kwa eneni mo chena sem
yeah
but for your madwe so meba Premier League nima anye ye no last match no mo bi mpo no ITU any BA United El Coronation Park no you basa ye see and it's only poetic say but for first match in the Premier League omo boy ti ITU and at home
yeah
last time I see you boy El Coronation Park no eja to sunwan
sir
oh yeah national security for you na abem anadwo ba kwa me bre o mi wi ase pa o say duma we mu sa ada na anadwo because na bibi koso kra na ye nim afi na boys omode wheelbarrow ye omadwuma na amanfo sa wheelbarrow ne hye no police tear gas ye the soldier for free barracks and e be fight you the omu free. They will be expected to say Brekum Arsenal be German before qualify. Or more in German, and also Ntokwa be told Brekum for any senior phone in term. Car if you Brekum ba near boat driver for no senior. Senior phone who could do Brekum near Boa more. The Premier League is back. Quatanaba and Obi Amra Coronation Park. No more help for the ITU. Maybe share.
Me da say, Papa Apostle Remuka Kanamema, I.
The Super Cup, the Super Cup before any sky. The performance almost dead. It didn't start well, but they ended up very well. And then the game again, the Olympics, the drone game. Clearly, for performance, so especially when it comes to defensive organization and the shape and the discipline of the team, or Chebibi, and no one. I mean, he was one of the best defenders we have in his era. And to Chebibi, a football team that is prepared. So at least almost I feel no more. Say, or say at least almost league no more. You expect that they will play very tight at the back and make sure say some and consider they will be able to end a draw or win. But at home, first game at home, at you team, yes, a free Asia go against the book, but a lot of experience in the team, a lot of young players to take some time. Or the evidence of the two teams, Nyoma exhibit, I think that before playing at home, there is a game they will be able to pick the needed 3 points. They need it badly. Omni here 3 points so that they will get 4 points and then they'll pick it from there. But my team has a lot of confidence to continue to progress the way they are doing. So it's a game I feel said before on the evidence of quality of my show so far since on promotion. I think they should be able to pick the 3 point. Now, minim so security arrangement will dance by. I hope BBR security is very important. Very tight, especially when you have volumes of supporters or mobile from various areas. Security is very, very key. Minimum security arrangement before I continue because the most important because the safety of every supporter, any player, any journalist will be by very, very important. Meaning, the nature of the security arrangement. So be at about and say baby or crying sofa. Meaning maybe a more new security architecture for this match. Yeah.
I'm say this man say make I say you too much is a man well attention saying there are other matches because of Kotoko and has matches in team. But this time around I had the regional enforcement from Sevilla also. Okay. Near the amount can be near be quiet for no. Okay. Nice so maba no man to you know a basic making sure say the security aspect no edun pempen so a said obi a ho teachema na game no so a free one and free and I say game no so be fair. Then there any problem cry. Moreover, na sign war stewards will be and no mines for no security for no be so any supporters na so volunteer honey no so ya boa manema I intend any problem cry. Okay. So near China say more abundant of security or more reinforcement. As I was stewards on but so be life here very safe on the house. So that's very, very important for this game. Now on the game itself, Go Stars, the game they played against Chelsea, it didn't go their way. The blunder against Star Boy. Yeah, Amankona, yeah. Against Amankona. That was something that a centre back at your level should not be doing at this game because you expect centre back go with him. Only don't call the narrow space, the angle, making sure semi found Nankano. On to me Bobo but he made that mistake. Going to the Kotoko game. That's their first home game of the season. Person winning already. Almost Kotoko have beaten them before. It's going to be a very tall game. Kotoko game number against Lions, Nanya impressive. It's an average performance. Kotoko want to make sure somebody pick a valuable point in a game, at least 3 points or a point in that game. It's going to be very interesting. I can't be brave, but they say Kotoko is Kotoko. So sometimes, unfortunately, they say the caliber of players on more teams is here. That's the problem. Okay. That is the reason why I give Go Stars a slight edge over Kotoko. Soon young for team no. Backup man, the China mechanism.
Me that say. Akumia. But for best, my back be na me ma collect and be kakra bi mra.
I will be.
What's it?
Around which I will be part.
Oh.
By Beba, give the better. But I'm looking forward to Bofakatano's first game. If he, what it will mean to the community, what it will mean to them coming back to the Premier League. But one thing I mean, my day and say, Crown Befast Abeka League will be very important. Anyhow, be city managing. Go Stars by league them fresh. I dare Momoka League the BS or Moka Sokotoko has or Mumi Rupini bit my show more. The last team of Koshomo was Wafa and the Kokan money and son. Home games in Nina. Your hands were at mine, or also buy, on also will be a machine with the fee. The team of questions were at mine, a house of folk. Or Momo buy almost a coin, and I check your home games. Okay. What I say. So Bofaka should make that particular place a fortress. Fortress, and so near fortress is say, Kumim you been to her and I said, you've been quite intimidate you. Can't intimidate you, be an answer Kuhunu Biana, my born in your fate. Bo fear me when so bo home away you fee because you can't come back and go again. We need the traditional clubs in the league. It means a lot to supporters. Traditional clubs no more bemoa and memuya kono memuya de because they give us a taste of water. At least just to kwan sana do any akwa ya mobo ho no ma born do be tu kwan so. Enya born do be tu kwan out to fee. Okoye den obofa kwa game ase. Dabi. And above a friendly match at
football matches among for the year or arrangement. Plan is some more carbon. And your item 13 sua.
Mate, Mama Quales and so quite a camera. Over to my friend, we're doing trouble. Number is 0551931931. 0548931931. My name is First Caller. Hali.
No, Luther King, where my name is
Mayola, I'm queer name.
No, Luther King, and say, the way that my family and my power before. I don't really get I'm going to go to I won't get the report.
Yeah, that's it. I'm found another caller. Hali. Okay. My also bet my friend we're doing trouble 0548931931. Hali.
Hello, King.
Yes, sir.
Who's the name? Jacob, Amasia Central.
Minu, I am quay.
That's what I catch. No, you're going to confront the idea. It's a pressure behind so. I'm not sure who could hit to next year. Half of the assume I have no problem. Exactly, you know, it's about seeing a rock and a woman. Gonzas,
I
second to lead Jayeboya. Then come and see me there. I'm best player of the game. And the check was about switching when you drop from my crop. Look about to make it some more.
But I say, Hali.
Hello.
Yes, sir, boss. We didn't be free.
If I tell me, I didn't
I do James Yankwe.
If I tell the mechanic, it's not in a born or ghost. Now, what's a journey? The VSM to one in there. Now, you will be there. You can't help where you can back as a number call and go serious in the Timber necessary. In kitchen, I cut a barber shop and also my barber born. Maybe you good start in an airport for fancy. It's an who the body and the yeah, need you extend the areas within the area and good deal the best to be a black party. Yes, park and so much.
Yes, so that's it. But you didn't be out free. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. We didn't be out free.
I am Kwame. I think you are watching.
Kwame Yitio.
The same Kwame. I think you are watching. Hello.
Kwame, lower TV now. Now, do no crack as I bet you. Why? What Daroma?
Gotcha. I'm watching the
okay. But me that's Hali.
Minazwana.
Hali.
Hello, Minazwana.
Yanko Yitio.
Mindia, Mindia,
Akwasi Yanko.
Madame.
Yetio.
Mimi asini dinamia my papa tazo folk omunyo majuma yesra omo kukora amudi asa tani pesa kwa so mom ni asa wombe bini matina na afu enyaje pesa azo folk the way omusuni ababo no yem very bono mu je ni ma yiri islam